Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I'm the Day Trader. I'm live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real money, my real life savings, all in front of you. Let me just mute that a little bit. I've got some sound coming out of the wrong place. That's better. Let me just fix that. My real life, all in front of you. There we go. Let me just mute. Whoops, I've got some sound coming out of the wrong place. That's better. Let me just fix that. Good, done it. Sorry about that. Live, it's all happening live. Okay, let's get straight into the positions. We've got right now a position of down 1.71 on the hour. Let's look at the day position. As you can see, the day position is slightly up actually. So looking okay. Let's start the live stream over on TikTok. Good morning to you. Welcome everybody. And we're off and running. Let's get straight into the trades. Everything you see here is my real money, my real investments. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm actually voted by Elton John as the world piano man. All right, so let's bring everybody in right now. Alex is here. Welcome, Alex. You can see what I've got on the screen right now. I'm looking at this. Dave Mottram, how are you, Dave? Welcome to you. Let's bring everybody in. Bill is here. Good morning, Bill. Welcome the family of traders. Every day we're here together. 1 day away from my birthday. Have I mentioned it? I might have done it. I might have mentioned it. Right, let's go into the main portfolio and let's have a look at where we are. We've got 25 minutes before the pre-market begins. Let's have a look. We are now 34.7, as you can see. All-time lows again right now. Now, what I'm looking at doing today, this is going to surprise you, but I think it's time to rebalance my portfolio, time to reset things, time to take a different perspective. What is it I'm looking to achieve? I've been getting very excited and carried away recently with all the high-risk stocks. A lot of people have been telling me about all these different things I don't even really understand or believe, and I've been buying in them, and I've been losing money, making money all over the place. I don't feel that I'm in control of my portfolio. I feel I'm all over the place with it, and I don't like that feeling, to be honest. It's a bit disconcerting. So, getting back to how I grew my portfolio in the first place, what is it I wish to achieve? What I wish to achieve is financial freedom when I retire, basically. You're not taking your money with you. You're not trying to break records. You're not trying to, I mean, I'd like my YouTube channel to grow, of course, but fundamentally, this portfolio is just supposed to make money just so I can live in the future when I'm old and grey, which is already now, and have some money coming in. All right, that's kind of all it is. And I've got my mortgage paid off. I don't have a car loan. I can live cheap in England. So at the end of the day, I bring in a certain amount of money a year. That's fine, right? So what I've been doing is extremely high risky and buying in things I don't know and catching it and all over the place. And recently, obviously, not due to all due to me, but obviously over the last few months, we've seen dramatic drops because of COVID, now a war, and so on and so forth. But what I'm looking at doing right now is, traditionally, the S&P is averaged at 10. The S&P 500 ETF is regarded as a 10% a year, every year. Now, if I can grow my portfolio to $100,000, which I feel is completely doable within the next year, it would have happened now if it wasn't for the war. All right, and I've got $100,000 and I'm earning 10% a year. That's 10 grand a year, and I reinvest that. And right now I don't need to spend that money because I'm just taking the dividends, because you get dividends as well with the S&P 500. All right, very, very safe, stock, an ETF, and I'd earn 10% a year. Now, right now, we are obviously the S&P 500 is down. Good time to get in, right? It's down 4% on the week. It's down 6% on the month. I mean, it's down. It's right. But over the last 3 months, some of my stocks have been down 50, 60%. Well, this is only down 10%. That's showing extreme resilience to the market. And over the year, it's still up 9%. So even in this year, it's still up 9% despite everything. So to me, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to move some money into the Vanguard S&P 500 to give my portfolio a nice, stable balance. So if I've got, let's say, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, I've got sort of, 10, 15, 20% of my portfolio sitting in this, earning 10% a year. Bearing in mind, we are down now 10% in the last 3 months. All right, this is a good time to get in, and then all my high risk stocks, my Virgin Galactic, my SPCE, because Virgin Galactic, by the way, isn't in the S&P 500. My Rivian, my Tesla, all these other things, they would give me my little bit exposure to the volatility, which I do enjoy, and it's good for the show, and it's good for you to watch, and all the rest of it, but give me a nice, steady, underpinning growth, and I like that idea. So that's what I'm looking at doing today. All right, I'm using my my money to go into the S&P. So I've got it set. It's got 20 minutes to go. Can't get in just yet, but I've only got $103 invested in it. And it's boring. It's not exciting to watch, but you are then the top 500 companies. It's good exposure. I like it. I'm going to do it. What does everyone feel about that? Let's bring in Dr. Smith. Good morning to you. Bill is here. There we go. Dr. Smith. Welcome, Dave. Beetle, Sean. Everybody's here. Welcome, everybody. So what's everyone's feeling about that? If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, smash the like button. I think that's the nature of today. That's where we're going to go today. We're going to rebalance. We're going to cool the portfolio down a little bit, take some heat out of it, take some drama out of it, and go back old school. All right, just a little bit. Still be involved in the high risk and all the rest of it and the excitement of it all, but just take a little bit of a step back, and that's what I think. That's what I think. That's a good plan after the dust settles. And also look at it this way, guys. You can use your leverage, right? If you use on something like this, Robinhood is now 3%, and you are on average earning 10% with the S&P 500. So just do the maths. I was looking at it last night. I was studying it last night, and it makes a lot of sense. So anyway, over there on TikTok. How are you? Imru, user 473. Go back to the future. Go back to the future. How are you all on TikTok this morning? Welcome. Hope you're enjoying the new screen here, which shows you all my charts there and what I'm doing, and so on and so forth. I'm on YouTube right now, so if you want to join me, tap the follow and share this video if you can. If you want to be part of the main trade, join us here on YouTube. Now then, overnight I've got into Virgin Galactic now. I got some more. I'm down at 1.85 at the moment. I'm up in the after hours slightly, 743. I'm at 757 average cost, so pretty good there. The portfolio is up 1% at the moment, coming up to 15 minutes before pre-market. SoFi is down 0.83, down 20% now on SoFi. Vanguard, it's let's have a look on the day position. It's up, see, up 0.45 again at the moment on the after hours. So let's have a look at it very closely today. Tesla, I've got 5 shares now of Tesla, and I'm up 0.2. My average is 806, so we're nudging up slightly. SPCE, we're nudging up slightly. Rivian, now Rivian has an earnings report tomorrow. I would expect it to disappoint, but by the rumour sell the news, I would imagine we might get a bit of a rise today, trim off the top, buy some into, sell some of that as it rises, because I would imagine tomorrow it could dip lower. because Rivian aren't very good executing when it compared to Tesla. All right. That's not a prediction. I don't know what's going to happen, but that's what I think. That's what I think is going to happen anyway. All right. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up today. I'm looking to sell it at 45,000. I'm looking to sell it at 45,000. Ethereum is also rising up, still down 16%. Martin, do you ever buy puts or shorts to make money when the market is going down? No, I've never got into that. I don't like predicting the future by a certain time. And I don't like predicting things going down. I like to live in a positive, optimistic outlook. For me, I don't like the idea of betting on something going down because people are behind all these stocks, right? There are people today working at Google, right? There are people today working at Google trying to improve products, make better products, do better things, and to grow a business. Everything about it is to try to improve efficiency, make more profits. Everyone is moving to a more profitable future. So to me, investing in something going down is going against what everyone is working to do. It seems, I mean, I know people make money doing it, but it seems the wrong attitude. I want to encourage and be optimistic that we're going forward, not backwards. And making money out of things going backwards or crashing, I would just rather get out of the stock and leave it alone. That's just my view. Right. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 15 minutes on the clock now. We've got 15 minutes on the clock, as you can see up there in the screen. Welcome, Jessica. Welcome, Dak. Good morning to you. Welcome, Amascan. SG, welcome. Thank you for all the loves, by the way. I appreciate all the loves. We are just 15 minutes to go before we can get into or back into VU, which is what we're trying to do this morning. We're trying to buy back in. We've got stocks in it, but I want to get more into it, okay? Let me bring you some breaking news while we're looking at the clock. Here we go. Nicholas Cullen, hey, you got to lose sometimes to get to win bigger. No, I get that. But the thing is, I'm just trying to build a 10%, right? If I'm totally honest, I know what I want to achieve. And I got a bit greedy over the last few days and a bit excited. And it is fun, I get it. But what I want to do is earn 10% a year and, you know, just have a nice steady income. I've built my life around efficiency. I don't have any debts or loans, nothing like that. I want to just, you know, make a reasonable amount of money, grow a YouTube channel, grow the family, and that's it. Right. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Subscribe and ring the bell. And I was just looking at something then. Sorry about that. Smash the like button. That's what I was trying to say. Right, we're all good. Yep, checking all my streams. Thank you, Alex. Thank you for everybody over there sending the likes. You guys are brilliant. Thank you so much indeed. Now, tomorrow is my birthday. Yay. Let's go straight. And you're all invited to that. I'll be here all day with you. Okay.
Vulnerable is
Here's the news.
Do you think today?
So much as we're seeing the key economic act probably in the south, what we are clearly seeing, and this has been unfolding ever since day one, are Russian forces moving on Kiev as the political center of gravity. And these advances, as you're indicating here, are about getting around the edge of the city, perhaps trying to encircle it. But it's a city 3 times the size of Manchester, so it's a really big objective. What we're seeing now is fighting on the cities that are outside Kiev.
There we go. As you can see, everybody's now around Kiev, the Russians. Can you believe that the President, Zelensky, has publicly announced exactly where he is? I'm amazed. I'm amazed. He's what a brave man. I'm amazed he's still alive, to be honest. He's telling everybody where he is. He goes online and says, "I'm here. Come and get me. I'm not leaving." I'm blown away by his commitment and bravery. It's incredible. Right. Okay. We've got just 12 minutes to go. Smash the like button. If you can. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. We've got 22 watching right now. Nicholas Cullen has just come on in. And for those of you that are not members yet, if I can invite you for, first of all the free links. All the free links my brokerages give me, my sponsors give me to get free links, free discounts, all sorts of stuff. There you go. There is the all links button. You can join the Discord group, my Twitter account. If you're a silver member and upwards, follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. Tell me you're a silver member, and I will follow you back. But not just follow you back, I will engage with you and share with you some of my viral posts. That's what I do for my silver members, all right? Nicholas Morello, we all die, we don't get the chance to make a difference, is what the president of Ukraine probably thinks. Yeah, we all die, but we all don't get the chance to make a difference. That's what, flipping heck. I mean, he is one hell of a guy, right? I think it's great, because he's like me. He was an entertainer. He was a comedian, folks. He wasn't a musician like me, but nevertheless, he was an entertainer, and he thought, right, I've got patriotism, commitment, dedication. I can be the president. I think he's brilliant. So there we go. Over there on TikTok, Philsbury, good morning. Shiba Inu Army. Good morning, Shiba Inu Army. I'm out of the Shiba Inu Army. I've sold all my Shiba. I'm giving it all away. Amazed he's still alive. It's a war crime if he was murdered. Yes, it will be. It's incredible. Join us here on YouTube. Welcome to all of you over on TikTok. This is the YouTube broadcast here. You can see my shares. We got just 10 minutes to go before the market opens. And what we're looking to do is we are looking to get into VU, the S&P 500. As you can see, my shares are up this morning, nearly 1%, typical of a pre-market. SoFi, VU, we're just waiting to buy, and we'll do that as soon as we can. It says here it's placed, and this will go as soon as the market's open. 12 shares. Energy stocks are going crazy again today. Yes, I know. I'm out of that now. I'm sticking to my principles on it. Should we have a look at them? Though? Was it Husa? Was one, wasn't it? Let's have a look. Yeah, look at that. Up 22% in the after hours. I got into this yesterday and I lost money on it. Awful. Remember the golden rule, never chase a stock. And you look at that and go, wow, that's brilliant, it's up. But when it's up like that, that's when it can crash, and you've got to be very, very careful chasing these sort of stocks. I mean, look at it, look, it's incredible growth. I mean, 750, I mean, look, 1,100%, 1,100%, 800 in a week. It's just unbelievable. 500 in a day. I mean, it's just unbelievable. It's incredible. It really is an incredible way to make money right now. But you know what? It's exciting. But, I'm a bit like steady 10% a year. I'm happy with that. I have to be honest. I know it's not very exciting and entertaining. But I think it's the way to go right now. Shiba Army, good morning, Pizza, good morning, Adrian, thanks for the follows, everybody. Carp Couch, thanks for the follows. Here we are on YouTube. This is my trades here. This is what you're watching right now. We've got just 8 minutes to go. I'm moving up 1%. Let's have a look at the other one. What was the other one we were looking at? Can someone remind me? What was the one? What was the energy stock? Was it Canva, wasn't it? Canva, what's that doing today? It's just interesting to have a little look. Yeah, 159. That's still moving up. Yeah, I would have done very, very well on it, wouldn't I? I set my stop trading losses a little bit too keenly, and it sold, unfortunately. But I've read this morning that Vladimir Putin wants the Cold War back. He wants to go back to the Cold War. Can you believe it? Can you believe that sort of mentality of a person? Wants to go back to the Cold War. Ryan Sullivan, there's his comment on the screen there. Paddy's here. Good morning. Right, we've 17 likes. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've just tuned in, and smash the like button. So I gave you the all links button for all the free stuff and all the involvement in the show. If you want to go further and support this channel, but also gain 10 times your investment as a member. And ask our members, you really do get 10 times back. Whatever membership you are, bronze, silver or gold, there's the invitation to join in the live chat. It's also below the videos as well. Also, it's on the browser. I've been watching 9 USEG and SMMP. Right. VU right now. We're waiting to get into it. We are 6 minutes to go. Want to get more into it? Hey, Paddy. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'm ready to sell it at 45,000. Ethereum. Hi, everyone. Have a nice day. Coca-Cola. I'm in there. Google. I got a whole share of Google now. Down only 4%. Down slightly after hours as well. Apple's got a product coming out today, and they're obviously not doing too well. Well, we're up 0.14, but 159 now. Boeing as well. That's also that's up today in the after hours. Remember, the charts don't reflect until we go into the actual market, to the pre-market opens. Skipper Mart, hello, thank you, Skipper, for the follow. Voiceover, Edward DJ, good morning to all of you. Thanks for being in today. This is us on YouTube. You can see all my trading screens here. This is information that you need. And welcome to all of you. Thanks for the follow. We're just 4.5 minutes away now. Good morning, Paddy. Let's go back to the portfolio. Right, we're rising up now. We're up $400, 34,000. It's the lowest we've ever been. The lowest we've ever been. And VU. Alicia, Patricia, wonderful, lovely. Thank you for being here. Oh, Martyn Williams just subscribed. We got a new subscriber, everybody. Martyn Williams just subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much, Martyn Williams. I don't think he's in the chat right now, but thank you very much, Martyn. Same spelling as me. Good morning, Dan. Here's the invitation to join if you want to get more involved in the show and be part of it big time. There you go. There is the invitation to join. We'll wait. We've got 4 minutes to go. We want to get into Vanguard VU, the S&P 500 ETF. I want to rebalance my portfolio. We're up 1% so far. I think it's a good time. Tesla, 806. I've got an average of 836. That isn't in the S&P 500. Rivian is, we've got the earnings report for Rivian tomorrow night. How about that? That's coming up tomorrow night. So, will we get the typical rise before the earnings? What do you think? Hi, Bill. How are you? Hope you're well, my friend. All right, we've got 3 minutes to go before the pre-market. And we're looking to buy 12 shares. And I'm all in. There's no cash. I'm all involved. There's no money on the standby now. I've bought all the dips. I've got everything in. I'm just now being optimistic for the future. That's kind of what we're doing right now over there on TikTok. Thank you for the follows. Thanks for the join. What's going on? What's going on? We're live on YouTube and we're day trading and we're investing. The US ban imports of Russian oil. There we go. Breaking news there, Dr. Smith. Thank you for sharing that. 2 minutes ago, the US ban imports on Russian oil. That will obviously explode now. Camber. Yep, 25% in the after hours. There you go. And also Husa as well. Yep, there it is. There you go. I can't verify that news. That just came in from Dr. Smith. That's why oil and stocks are rising. That's it. That's it. Russian oil is now banned. I'm glad they come to that conclusion. I'm surprised it took so flipping long, but never mind. They've done it anyway. It just seems obvious. How can you be giving Vladimir Putin any money? I mean, it just you know, beyond words. Why would you deal with I mean, I can't even get my head around it. Anyway. David, good morning, David. Good morning to you. All right, 1 minute to go. Here we go. Here we go now. Apple news. Thank you for that. I'll bring that in a minute. Let's look at VU, see if it goes through. $30 seconds to go. Afternoon all. Believer Bubble, good afternoon to you. 18 likes. We need 2 more likes. We need 2 more likes in the next 15 seconds. 18 likes. Hey Bubbles, here we go. This is the pre-market, so it's the soft horn. Here we go. The soft bell. 3, 2, 1. 19. All right, okay, we're off and running. Let's go and let's get straight into the trades. Let's have a look. Right, Vanguard. Okay, placed. So that's not going to go through. We're in the pre-market right now, so that'll go through when the market opens, all right? So now we know how that's going to work. Cancel the order, and let's do it. Let's buy it this way. Do a limit order. That's the only way to get it through now. Good for the day. Shares, I want to buy 12. Limit order 386. Sorry, 387, just so I can get it to go through. Good for the day. Allow to execute extended hours. Review the order. $385. Done. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're done. We're in Vanguard S&P 500. All right. Let's see where we go now. Let's look at the portfolio. We've now got into that. Let's look at our portfolio. Everybody over there on David, thank you for the follow. And Mr. Media as well. Thank you for the follow, all of you over there on TikTok and Twitter and Instagram. Our home of our trading is YouTube. Come and join us here on YouTube. Let's have a look at we've got some breaking news coming out now. Let's have a listen in.
On the ground, Ukraine saying the Russian advance has slowed, but heavy missile and artillery strikes continue on city centres and civilian infrastructure. The capital, Kiev, and other targets in the centre and east of the country were hit overnight. Local authorities reporting at least 21 civilians, including 2 children, were killed in an airstrike on a residential street in Sumy last night. Russia promised a ceasefire from this morning to allow civilians to flee to safety from these 5 cities, including Sumy. Local officials there reporting that the ceasefire has held and hundreds of civilians have been evacuated towards...
The Russian advance is slowing down. It's good. I mean, it's really, really good. I mean, the Ukrainians are doing an incredibly good job. Let's look at on the live position. The live position, we are pretty flat right now, but on the day, we are up 1%, nearly 1%. That's good. SoFi is now rising. Let's have a look. Vanguard. I'm now in with Vanguard. All right. Let's have a look. Now, this is now 7.5% of my portfolio. I'd like that to be 10%. And, of course, it could do that when it rises. Now, if we look at it right now, over the 5 years, this is where we are. It's a good time to buy in now. Over the 1 year, we're back nearly a year. Over the last 3 months, all right. But look at it. It's only down 10% over the last 3 months, where everything else has been down 30, 40, 50%. So I think this is a really good time to get in the S&P 500 ETF. It also pays a dividend as well. And if we look at the stocks it holds Apple, it holds Microsoft. See, I actually own Microsoft now. Amazon, Google, Tesla. Oh, it does own Tesla. It does own Tesla. I apologize. I didn't think it did. It does now. Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, Berkshire Hathaway, Johnson & Johnson. Now, that's done very well for me. The top 10 holdings. Didn't realize it held Tesla, but it does. It also pays a 1.3 for 30-day yield. So that's good to know as well. Expense ratio is very, very low. It's a passively managed ETF. And if we look at it here, the average return, 16%, 18%, 15%. See, look, it's good. It's not going to blow your socks off, but it's enough if that's what your target is. If you want to earn 10% a year, that's and that's the lower average, then this is a very safe bet. Okay. Now I'm up. It's starting to move up straight away, which is nice. Now, what would you rather? Would you rather be up now in oil and exploding? Yeah, of course you would. Or would you be a nice steady growth in something like that? I quite like that feeling, I have to be honest, because it's likely to go up steadily, and if it loses, minimally. And I kind of like that now. I think that underpinning my portfolio, that seems a good idea. It's a bit boring, it's a bit Warren Buffett, but it's a good idea, I think, right now to do that. So anyway, that's where I am right now, and as you can see, at the moment I'm flat. I'm just down $3 at the moment. Let's see where it goes. Right, the portfolio now is 34.9. SoFi is flat. Vanguard is up. Tesla is up, 805. Rivian is also up. Now, we're going to look at Rivian today. I think it would be possibly a good idea to sell some off the top. I'm down 25% at the moment, right? Because we've got the earnings report coming tomorrow. What about sell the rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news? You know what I mean? I can't see how they're going to have a good report. But we could make some money on it today and trim off. Virgin Galactic. Now, Virgin Galactic right now is up on the pre-market. I've got an average now of 757, just down 1.85%. Amazon is down nearly 4% now. I've got a share of Amazon. Twitter is down slightly as well. Nvidia is down 0.56. Over on TikTok, how are you all doing this morning? Thank you for the loves. Whoever tapping the screen right now, is that Yama Kuban? I think I pronounced that correctly. Breaking news here from Ukraine.
Defence editor Deborah Haynes has the latest for you from Lviv now in western Ukraine.
It's a desperate scenes, really, of people fleeing there. This is the station behind me. You can see people moving in there over the past sort of hour or so since we've been here. There have been long queues of people waiting outside. One group that we saw said they've been waiting for about 3 hours, and then when a train comes, the train's going to Poland, they get moved inside, and then more people arrive. And you can see people behind me, and if I sort of pan around, you can see that back away from the station, there's basically like large encampments that have been kind of set up with people, volunteers, setting up like sort of little fires. There's big metal dustbins. You can see it.
I'll come back to that as we get more breaking news for you. Right, Tesla is just falling back. Rivian falling back 1.7. We've got 20 minutes before the market opens. We've got 22 likes. I want to invite everyone tomorrow to my birthday celebrations. I want to let you all know about it. I'm sure you all do anyway. It's the most advertised birthday party in the history of the world. But I'll let you know, we're also coming up to the 1 year, couple of months from now, will be 1 year old on the Day Trader channel. That's going to be a very exciting day as well. Very exciting day. We'll have to do something special that day, right? Got to celebrate life. Got to celebrate anything you can, right? Because you never know. Over there, it's me. Thanks for the share. Share the live video. Thank you very much indeed. Oh, shared the live video. Thanks ever so much indeed. That's very nice of you. Thanks for sharing the video, guys. How cool is that? Well, live here on YouTube. This is my trading screen right here. This is what you're watching right now. I wonder if I'm able to... let's have a look. Can I do this? Oh, mirror your video. Is that better? I just realised that's better for you, isn't it? No one's ever said the video was back to front. That's better for you, isn't it? You can see the chart better now. Why did nobody ever tell me that? Over on TikTok, everyone's watching the screen the wrong way around, and no one's ever said the charts aren't making any sense. I have no idea why no one ever told me that. That's unbelievable. I can't understand why no one would ever tell me that. Anyway, the charts are right up here. I said that yesterday. Oh, did you? Well, I've just done it now. I've just done it now. I can't believe it. It's fixed now, Alex. Go and check it out. It's fixed. The charts are the right way around. Go and check them out. I can't believe it took all this time. Just coming to 15 minutes. Thanks, Sean. Mark Corn is here. Terrible. It's speaking from that like journal. Terrible. Like speaking from that like. Oh yeah. I was thinking the same thing. Bubble. Hey, sorry, I haven't been around, but I'm pretty unwell. Oh look, everybody. Mark Corn is not well. Right, okay, everybody. One of our family members, he's a member to the channel. He's a regular. His badge has turned gold now. Look, he's been a member for 2 months. Come on, everybody. You know what you got to do. Get well soon, Mark. Mark's got a great little comedy TikTok channel, by the way. Get well soon, Mark. We love you. There we go. Everybody. Blow up the chat, please. Copy and paste. Do it for Mark. Make him feel special. Take the time just to go like that. It doesn't take any effort at all. It's free. But it makes Mark feel better. He's not very well. And a little thing like that can blow up the chat. You've got the doctor in the house. I think we should put the doctor to work. Doctor, what's going on? All right. I've done my part as everybody else played their part. Right. Coming up to 15 minutes to go. Thank you very much indeed, everybody on TikTok. I can't believe it took me all this time to turn the screen around. But you're very welcome. No one told me. Now Alex is saying, I told you. Thank you. I nearly got banned off there this week. You nearly got banned. How can you nearly get banned? They tell you off. I get told off all the time. SoFi is down. See my first post. See your first post. Snuggles in, freezes the rain. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Your first post was, welcome to the comfy chair. Bill, what do you mean? Right, Vanguard is now down 0.01 on the pre-market. Now, this will be interesting to see what happens right now. I'm down 0.21. Yeah, I said a really rude joke. They didn't like it. Well, you got to stop doing rude jokes. Points to the top. I have no idea what you mean, Bill. What does points to the top mean? Bill was in pain. Second, maybe. Points to the top. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Bill. Why don't you just write it again, Bill? Hi, Doctor. Go back to the future. October would be nice. I've read them all. What? I don't get what you mean. I don't know what you mean, Bill. Just tell me what you mean. All this cryptic clues. My first post. Your first post was welcome to the comfy chair. Like it is every day. What are you on about? Just tell me what you want to bloody say. Why just keep saying my first post? Oh, man. The day trader, Bill says, yeah, it said it was freezing rain. Right, Bill said struggles in. It was freezing rain yesterday, and I went to pick up my kid from the porch and slipped. Oh, now you've slipped down. Now you've fallen over. Bloody hell. Now we got Bill in pain. All right. Now we got to go. All right. So now we got to do the same thing for Bill. All right. Okay. Bill wants to get involved now. It's all right. I'll remember all this tomorrow, my birthday. I'm going to be all over it. If my chat isn't blowing up tomorrow, there'll be L to pay. I'm telling you. Right. Here we go. Get well soon, Bill. Right. 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Ready? Right, now we're doing it for Bill. Bill wants to be involved. Get well, Bill. We love you. All right. Thank you very much, Leah. I've already got presents turning up. This is from Leah, by the way. I've got chocolates. Lindor, best chocolates in the world, right? Proper Swiss chocolate. That's coming in now. That's coming in now. Get well soon, Bill. All right. Bill wants to be involved. All right. I'm just storing it up in the bank tomorrow because I expect this and more. But I'm not going to be ill tomorrow, though. I'm just saying. I hope not. Anyway, I'm preparing to be ill on my birthday so I get love and sympathy. That'd be perfect. Yeah. Get well, everyone who's ill. Alex says, "Get well, everyone who's ill." There's the doctor. Get well, Bill. LOL, Dave. Dave, they are all on the woe is me bandwagon, having to copy me. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Dave Mottram. Moaning Dave. Now everybody thinks I'll play on it now. Right, yeah, I'm sick of it. Sick of it. I'm sick of people coming on here, using my channel as a woo. Was it woo? Ooh, woo's me. Yeah, woe is me. This is not the woe is me channel. If you're sad and lonely and your life is rubbish, don't come on here just trying to use it to get sympathy, because I'm not having it. This is my channel. Ask Mike. This is not the woe is me channel. Oh, I'm desperate and lonely and I'm ill and I'm poorly and I've got a bad back and I've got a bad head. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go on Martyn Lucas's channel and get woe is me. So no woe is me. All right? Right. Bill, we love you. Yeah, we do love you, but no woe is me. I had a hard time walking as it was now. Get on with it. Stop moaning, Bill. I need Jennifer to do Bentley today. All right. Why don't you just let Bentley out? Can't he just walk himself? Or will he bugger off? Get well soon, everyone who is ill. That is funny. Isn't that why we pay membership? What? All right, I'm going to set up a new membership. I'm going to set up a new membership on the channel, right? I'm going to set up a membership, right? And it's the Woe Is Me subscriber. It's basically, you're not interested in the channel. You're not interested in making money or anything like that. You just want to come on and get sympathy, right? It's going to be the Woe Is Me membership. Who wants a Woe Is Me membership? I'm going to set up a Woe Is Me membership. All right, from now on, Bill is sharing the video. Bill has shared the live video over on TikTok, and he's given me a rose. He's given me a rose. A rose is like 1 cent, I think it is. I think it's 1 cent. You tell him, Martyn, it's your show. Yeah, sympathy in between. Sympathy is in between shits. Is it? No, it's not. Bentley needs a scooter as well. Membership, I'm hurt. Give me sympathy. Thank you, Leah. Leah, do you want a membership? Apparently, we should have sympathy membership. So, not interested in the day trading or anything like that. They just want to pay to have a channel they can go and get sympathy and Woe Is Me. Would you subscribe to that? Yeah, Leah's going to be our first Woe Is Me member. I'm going to set a Woe Is Me membership up, and she said, yeah, I'll subscribe to that. Unbelievable. I bet it'd be the most popular membership. I better make it. How much will it be? 99 cents. Oh, hey! I got a super chat. Bill, you got to save this. It's my birthday tomorrow. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at Bill, everybody. Right, Bill. For that very thing, we'll do you a request at the end of the show. If we get super chats, we waive the money that we would have made on the video, which is about $10. And what we do is you can have a song at the end of the show. Whoa there! You said anything about Woe Is Me channel? Who said anything about paying for the Woe Is Me channel? Yeah. We are paying. Believe a bubble. This is a business, mate. This ain't the bubble channel, mate. This is business, all right? We're getting into business here, right? I'm telling you, right? This channel is about making money, right? So don't come on here with your bubble routine telling me. By the way, Bubble, why don't you pick up the phone one day and call in doing your bubble routine? We'll put you on the show. I want it. For my birthday, I request it. Tomorrow, I request it. When you're watching the show, pick up a mobile phone, film yourself doing bubbles, and you can call in live. Who wants... Right. There we go. It's a vote. Right. We got 9 minutes to go. Here we go. We're doing a vote. Who thinks Bubble should call in live on my birthday tomorrow? Okay? So, Bubble, all you got to do, I send you the link, right? And you hold your phone up and you do a few bubble routines live on the show. It'll make you famous. Don't do it for me. Don't do it because you're nice. Do it because you want to be famous, right? All right? Who thinks Bubble should call in live on my birthday? Yes or no? Thank you, Bill, for the love. I appreciate it. I'll make a video tonight and send it to you tomorrow. I'm on a train most of tomorrow. All right. Well, I don't think that's as good. It's not as good, is it? See, that's just like I want to get famous and then use your channel to get famous. That's not taking the effort. You could jump off the train for 5 minutes, you know, and you know, do that. But no, you want to make a video and send it in. I'll make you a video. He says, "We are Martyn's clients. We are Martyn's clients." Yeah, this ain't a family. Who thought you were in a family? This ain't a family. I just use that. That's a shroud to shroud the drama. It's not a family. You're my clients. This is business, right? This ain't no family. This ain't no family. This ain't no support your mates. This is a bloody business. Nicholas Morello, spot on. We're Martyn's clients, right? We are. Good morning, good people. Congratulations, the Muln team. Oh, yeah, the Muln team. Whoever, LOL tricked us all. Yep. You've all been tricked. You've all been tricked. This is not a family. This is business. You're all my clients, and I'm here to fleece you. It's bad enough I'm using public transport for the first time. I have no intention of being on it longer than needed. Trust me. All right. Jump off the bloody train and make a video then. Stop messing around. Right? We're on the air all day. Are you telling me that you can't find 5 minutes out of your day? I'm on air all day. How are we on about? Right, here's the interview screen. Look, you can be in here at some point tomorrow. There's the call-in button, bit.ly/Martyn Live. See it there, look? See, look, I'm looking at it. bit.ly/Martyn Live. All right? It's on the screen, look. See, bit.ly/Martyn Live. You can call in to the show on YouTube. Over on TikTok, you can't do that. You can do that on TikTok, on YouTube. All right? There you go. Stop messing around and telling me you're on a train. There's no way you're on a train the entire day. LOL, Martyn. Martyn can talk. I'm still waiting for a video on his NFTs. He promised. Yes, I know about that. In fact, I'm going to put that right to the top of my list because Dave Mottram's going to start to annoy me with that. Right. NFTs. NFT video. Right, it's made the headlines. Do you want to see? Right, look. This is my notes. This is my notes. When it goes in the notebook, right? Look, ready? Look, NFT video for Moaning Dave. See it? Can you see that? Right there, look, NFT video for Moaning Dave. All right, that's going to get done now. I've got videos to make. I've got silver members to add. I've got all sorts of stuff. I'm falling behind. I admit it. I know it. It's called success. It's called success. You're victim to your own success. Hold on. If we aren't family, does that mean it's no for a Christmas card this year? There'll be Christmas cards. There'll be Christmas cards on the show. Right? Right. Okay, 34.9. 34.9. We're up today, 1.2. You can laugh my face off. You can laugh at all you like. Remember, can you put the link back up, please? Yes. Here's the interview screen. Here's the link. I'll put it in the chat. I'll put it in the chat. All right? It's on the all links button. I don't know how many of you even bother looking at that. I went to the trouble of doing it and no one even looks at it. Here's the call-in button. Here's the call-in button here on the screen. In the chat right now, call in. bit.ly/Martyn Live. I mean, you can remember it, can't you? Thank you very much. You're very welcome. And I expect you to call in. It's members only. Only members can call in. Hi, Pat. Are you doing okay? Are you doing okay? Good question, that. Are you doing okay? Right. SoFi is we got 4 minutes to go before the main market opens. Let's fix the cameras on TikTok. There we go. Sometimes it flares out. All right. SoFi is starting to move up. VU is flat right now. Tesla is now moving up. Hi everyone, Vapor's Guide is here. Ooh, Alicia, good at the moment. Right, have we got any? Once we get into 15 minutes into our main market, members, let me know who the silver or gold members are because I want to feature you. Now, don't forget, gold members, you are entitled, and there's a few here right now, and that includes sponsor members. There's a few of you here in the chat right now. You are entitled to 2 1-hour Zoom calls a month. All right? And I now have a special calendar where you can select the time that you want to talk to me. All right? I'm going to bring it up right now. I've got a calendar where you can go. Here it is. You can click on this and schedule a time. As a gold member, you are entitled for 2 1-hour Zoom calls a month to discuss whatever it is to do with your channel or stocks and shares. It's all right. It's not just for a woe is me chat. Don't join it because I'm the good Samaritan. It's not that. Remember, you're all my clients. Remember that. Mark just said this isn't a family. We're all Martyn's clients. No, it wasn't Mark. No, it wasn't Mark, was it? It wasn't Mark. It was someone else. Who was it? It was. Let me scroll up. It was Nicholas Morello. There he goes. So here is the calendar in the chat right now. You can choose a time. And that's your time. As a gold member, you get that service, all right? 2 1-hour Zoom calls a month. Anyway, Rivian, we're looking to see if we can trade it today. SPCE is up 0.68. I'm down just 2% on it right now. Got the link now on my phone. Do I need it? No, you don't need any specific apps. You just use it in a browser. You just click on the link and open it. Do you want to test it right now? Do you want to have a quick test? Just put it into a browser, click on it. It will use your camera and it will use your phone. You do not need any apps at all. I make things easy for people, right? All right, I make it easy for you. All right, can't make it any easier. Mercedes, good morning to you. Bill, good morning. It's me. Shared the live video. So did Bill. Thanks for all the shared the videos. Right. Over on TikTok. Right. Portfolio is up 0.5%. SoFi. Let's have a look at our Hooser. Let's have a look at our oil today. What's it doing? It's up 41% on the pre-market. We got 20 seconds to go. Here we go. Let's get right into the main trades right now. Are you ready? Here we go. 15 seconds to go before the bell goes. Here we go. Are you ready? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off. Okay, the bell has gone. We are into the main markets now, and we are trading. Time to lose all my money. Dan says, time to lose all my money. Yep, that's it. Got the link now. Good. There's Dan right. SoFi is down. VU is holding up at the moment, up 0.02. Where's it going to go? Tesla is down today. I'm now down 4.83. 795. We broke the 800. Look at that, folks. 795 now. And it's going down. Rivian is down 1.63. This is the first thing that happens in the morning. Don't lose your shirt. Don't get too stressed about it. This is what happens. The market's now down. Overall, the overall portfolio is holding up. Overall, I'm up 0.17. Okay. Holding up right now, 0.38. And I think the reason for that is mainly my Vanguard. I've got nearly 8% now in that. Right, we're just down very slightly, 0.2. It's bound to drop a bit. Okay, everybody over there on TikTok, how you doing? Patrick McCann, welcome to you. Let's look at Bitcoin. Ethereum. Coca-Cola is up today. Google. Let's have a look. Google is down very slightly and going down a bit more. Okay, we're down nearly 4% now on Google. What about Amazon? Amazon's also down today. I'm down 4% on Amazon now. These are big drops, by the way, on companies of this size. 5% on Amazon is a massive drop. Right. The portfolio now is at 34.3. All-time lows right now. All-time lows. I want to make some money out of my high-risk stocks. Virgin Galactic, 728. Down 1.26. Look at that, 1.3. Down 4% now. Facebook is also down 0.2. GGPI is down 1090. Twitter is down. Amazon is down. SPCE is down. Hussa, Halt down. The stock recently experienced Husa halt down. Let's have a look. What's it doing? I already placed my bet. Oh yeah, there it goes. Husa is down. See, temporarily halted. Temporarily halted. Yeah, big sell-offs right now. People take their profits. I've moved out of it. I always said I'm not interested in oil. I'm for the future. I don't even believe in oil. I'm all about the future and electrifying everything. But the last few days I've got into oil, and as you all know what happened. I'm out of that right now. So the live position is down. Okay, 1.9. Okay, 34,000. 1.36. I already placed. SoFi going down. Rivian is down 5%. Okay, everything's crashing now. Vanguard is down slightly. But that's down the least. See that, down 0.28. Okay. Tesla is 786. Down nearly 6% now. Afternoon, folks. Rob McLean is here. Peru Invest is here, our biggest trader. Him and Muzanero, I think. Let's have a look. We got a vote on the screen. Who thinks Bubble should call in live on my birthday? 18 votes, 83%. I love the fact someone always goes no. Caden Youngquist is here. My space is diving. My space is diving. SPCE, 723, 719. 720. Amazon. The no was me. Everybody, look at that, 18 votes. I'm going to buy Tesla at 700. Bloody hell. Oh, Caden Youngquist, I'm going to buy Tesla at 700. Good luck to you, my friend. All right. So anyway, I need you to do something now. Go and like this video. I've got 7 likes. All right, I want to start breaking records tomorrow. I want 100 people to watch me live. There's the video. Take a look at Mule. All right, I'll look at it now. Space is now entering the submersible market. There we go. Right, there's the video right now. Look, it has on it. It has 7 likes. Everyone now from the show, I want everyone to like this video for tomorrow. We've never had a show with lots of likes on it. Tomorrow's my birthday. There it is. The link's in the chat. Let me give it to you right now. Take a look at Muln. I'm looking at it right now. Here we go. Back to the main portfolio. Muln. M-U-L-N. Okay. I'm up today. I am up today. M-U-L-N. Muln Automotive. Up 32% today. And 33. Look at it rising. Absolutely awesome. Look at this, guys. Muln Automotive today is up 32%, 33%. Look at it pumping on the screen. Muln Automotive now is pumping, everybody. 30%. And this is the problem. This is what I did yesterday. I started chasing it. And that's what caught me out. It's great, but you need to catch these things before they go. Muln Automotive is up 30%. All right, we will keep that one open and we'll refer back to it in a minute. We'll come back to it. All right, the overall portfolio right now, let's see where we are. We are now down 1%. Down 1%. On the hour, we're starting to come up again, but we're down 1%. SoFi is down. I am telling you all when it was 77 cents. You did. You did indeed. You did indeed. And unfortunately, I was all in with the oil, and I lost my money on the oil. So unfortunately, I am out of that now. What I've done today, Peru, you missed it. I forgot my objectives. My objectives are to earn 10. Absolutely getting crushed. ARK is getting crushed. My objectives had been forgotten. I've got no mortgage. I own my house. All I want to do is earn $10,000 a year. All right? I can live cheaply. All right. I want to grow a portfolio to $100,000 and earn $10,000 a year. Okay. So I've moved my money into the Vanguard S&P 500. I've got 7.5% of it now. Right. It grows on average 10% a year. And I bought this huge dip that we've got right now. And I reckon that makes sense for me. You've got to remember what your objectives are. You might want to become a millionaire, and you're not going to become a millionaire buying the S&P 500, right? But you are if you buy Mullen or all these other things, all right? So that's what I've done. I want stability back in my portfolio. Steady growth. Markets are really good if you like commodities. All right. ARK Invest. Let's have a look. This is one of my stocks. It's down 1% today. Hang on. Yeah. That's not too bad. That's not getting crushed. What do you mean? Markets suck. ARKK. That's all right. Down 1.5%. I don't mind that. It's not too bad. Tesla's 10%. It's because of Tesla. That's okay. Tesla will come back. I'm not worried about that. Mullen now is up. It's 32. Keeping an eye on it for you. Okay. Worst crash ever. It's not the worst crash ever. Not at all. It may be in your lifetime, Caden. Caden's our youngest investor. He's 16, but this is most certainly not even close to the worst crash ever. Not even close to it. CEI approaching $2. CEI, Camber, everybody. Let's open that up as well. I know you all want to watch it. Camber. We've now got the all clear that Russian oil is banned. Look at year on date of ARK. It's lower than 2019. Camber, look at that. 53% today, 195. Remember, don't chase it. You should have been in it yesterday. Peru, are there any other stocks you are looking at? Nicholas Morello, Camber is now up 188. Huge gains today. Huge opportunities today. If that's your thing. Right, my portfolio now is... We are now down 0.5%. Told you I will sell it at 2. He's going to sell it at 2. Camber, 186, 183, 184. There we go. Mull now just coming off the top. See, why you don't chase a stock, get all excited, and then you chase it and then it falls. That's what happens. And I'm sure now if I jumped in at 186 and got everybody about to sell it at 2, it'll come crashing down. That's the problem with it, right? My portfolio is down now 1.16. You need to be over 80 to remember the worst crash ever. There you go. Told you I will sell at 2. That's from Peru Invest. SoFi is down. VU, my Vanguard, I'm down 0.5% right now. I've moved 7.5% into that now. Tesla is down 788, 789, 790, 791. That could rise up now very quickly. $7.90. $7.88. Going down again, $7.87. There we go. I just bought a bit more to lower my average, $8.22. Right, that's me fully invested now. There we go. Let's see what happens now. 8.22. Look at it firing back off again. Mullen now is dropping back down. It's Camber. Camber is starting to fall off. Out. Where's it going to go? Peru Invest. Right. My portfolio is now green for the day. 0.28. 0.31. I'm up today $100. SoFi moving up. Big time. Vanguard moving up. Tesla moving up. Rivian still Rivian moving up now. Let me correct my script. There we go. That's better. Over there on TikTok. How are you all today? Muln will be $10 by the end of the year. Wow. That's 1,000%. That's about 900%. Wow. Camber, 193. I'm up now, 0.5%, 34.8. Have I hit my all-time lows? SoFi. Just bought CEI at 165 on first green candle and sold at 118 on second red candle. There we go. Nice one, Fusion. Fantastic. Vanguard is now pushing up. I'm up now on it. Fantastic. I'm up $7, 0.15. Great. Tesla is moving up. Rivian is moving up. Rivian is now firing off. 1929 stock market crash, the worst stock market crash in history in 1929. That was the Great Depression of the 30s, right? Virgin Galactic is now pushing up as well. We've got a much lower average here. Up 42% so far. Dan, congratulations to you. Amazon is now firing off. That's much better. What about Google? Probably the same thing, I would imagine. Google, yep, Google is at 1%. Coca-Cola, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Right, did anyone like the video? 8 likes now. Right, I want to get everyone like this video for tomorrow. It's my birthday show. There is the video. Click on the like button. We've got 8 likes. There are 25 likes in this show. We should have 25 likes on this video. It's tomorrow's live show. It's tomorrow's opening bell show. It's my birthday show. I want to see this go to 25 likes because there are 25 people watching, 25 likes. There is the link. Go and like it now. Let's have a record-breaking show tomorrow. Let's get 100 people to watch the show live. That's what we're hoping to do. I don't think I've got any chance in hell of doing it, but what you might as well dream big, right? Right, Muln is now falling back. Muln is now falling back. Camber is now falling back as well. My portfolio is now up 1.5%. 35,000. There we go. We've broken it again. Oh, 35.2. How do I subscribe to your channel? Become a member. Not now as you're busy. Nicholas Cullen. How do I subscribe? There's a subscribe button right under the channel. Here, look. If you look at the channel right now, if I go to right under the video here, there's a subscribe video. Subscribe button, a big red subscribe button. It's not showing for me because obviously I'm subscribed to my own channel. Up 2.25%. Space is going up. There we go. Look at that. Much, much better. Virgin Galactic now, 740. Great. And if you want to become a member, oh, we've got somebody, we've got Nicholas Cullen who wants to be a member to our channel. He's our latest member. We've now got nearly 40 members now. Nearly everyone who watches the show every day is a member. Here, Nicholas, is the link to become a member. You need a browser. There it is. It's in the chat right now. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. There you are. Invitation to join. Muzanella is here. Good morning, Muzanella. You see all the people with badges after their names? They are the members. Right, okay. Hi all, Muzanella. USEG is pumping hard. Don't chase. No, do not chase. I'm not doing that again. Virgin Galactic, 741. I am now 2% down. MULN is falling. If you should become a member, Nicholas, this is what happens. This is what happens right now. That's what happens if you become a member. If you become a subscriber, that's what happens. There you go. Let's get straight back into the live show. And very, very quickly, we've got to hear from our sponsors. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. All right, I'm back. There we go. That was a very quick 10 seconds. Right. Camber Energy's moving up again now. The portfolio, I'm up nearly 2%. 2% right now. Hi all. Great stuff. 35,199. Love it. I love it. Fantastic. SoFi is moving up. Vanguard S&P is now moving up. I'm up 0.07, 3.25. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, and I know you can count on me. There we go. There's Bill. We're friends. What friends do? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Absolutely. Good stuff. There's Bill. Love it. Over there on TikTok, let me fix the resolution. There we go. That's much better. How are you on TikTok? Happy birthday. I'm back at work tomorrow. It's birthday tomorrow. Missed your evening music sessions. Adam Cornfield, one of our great friends over there on TikTok and watches a lot of my shows. Join us here on YouTube. Pop into YouTube, Adam. Come and say hello to the family. This is our YouTube show right here. This is where we are now on YouTube. Come into YouTube right now. Just go to the main Martyn Lucas channel and you see the Day Trader channel right at the top. Click on it. We're live there. Come and join us, mate. I'd love to introduce you to the family. All right. We've got a great family now over on YouTube with my Day Trader show. And tomorrow's my birthday, so hopefully you'll join me tomorrow too. All right, okay. MULN is now falling. Down it goes again. Camber Energy is up, but just dropping back slightly. My portfolio is now up nearly 2%. Peru, are there any energy stocks that we have not pumped yet that we could get into? That's what friends are for, Bill. There we go. I'm up nearly $500 now. Hi, Musa. How you doing? SoFi is just dropping back slightly. Vanguard is up today, up 0.01. Starting to return. Tesla, 804 right now. I'm just down 2%. Rivian today is up. Can we make some money? SPCE was up for a moment, but just dropping back again now. This is typical early morning stuff. Amazon rose up and just dropping back slightly. Twitter is up. Nvidia is moving up. Palantir is moving up. Facebook is moving up today, up 1%. GGPI is down at 1090. Lucid is up today, 0.39. I'm just 4% out of the money. Hood is moving up. Palantir is down, but moving up now. PayPal is down today, but trying to push up again. Immersion is up today, 0.68. What about On? On is up today as well. Rolls-Royce is up 5% today. I'm still down 6% on it. Boeing is also up today, 0.36. Apple is up 0.3 today. Google is up 0.67 today. Coca-Cola is also is down today. Ethereum, our crypto, I guess, USG is next to pump. 1,000,000% gambling though. Yep, I'm out of that. I'm out of that stuff completely. Moon is down, but pushing back up again. Camber Energy is rising again. The overall portfolio now up 0.46, 34, just under 35,000 right now. Okay, now then, I think it was who was it who asked? Nicholas Cullen. You asked how to join. Here is the invitation to join. Again in the live chat. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. Below all the videos as well, and on a browser is the join button underneath. It's not on a phone, you don't see it on a phone, but if you use the link in your browser on your phone, you will see it. Starting to get a small backlash in the UK for Coke and McDonald's. Starting to get a small backlash in the UK for Coke and McDonald's. Okay, let me bring up my McDonald's position. I'll show you where we're at with that. McDonald's. There it is, McDonald's. Let me open it up for you. This is one of my positions as well. I'm up 0.3%. I've got 6 shares of that. Open link in new tab. Let me open that one. Okay, McDonald's right now. I'm up 0.35. Fantastic, Bill. I adore Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars. How did Bruno Mars get on the show today? What's Bruno Mars got that I ain't got? What's going on with Bruno Mars, everybody? Over there on TikTok. Happy birthday. Adam Cornfield. McDonald's is doing well today, the overall portfolio. Let's go back a minute and check in here a second. Bear with me a second. I'm just opening this up. Okay. Okay, you can see our portfolio now where we are, where it's rising. Rich just joined. Good morning to you, Rich. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for being here. Hi all, precious metals doing well today. Fantastic. That's Believer Bubble as well. Not sure if it will come to anything though. Precious, Deborah Meaden, Dragon's Den, and a few other celebrities are starting to push publicity publicly for people to boycott them because they are still trading in Russia. I thought McDonald's and Coke were out of Russia. I'm sorry if that's not true. I thought it was. So I thought it was. Maybe I'm wrong. I was wrong once. What does it market profit say? I'm wrong 50% of the time, something like that. Anyway, let's have a look. Where are we right now? Okay. Awesome stuff. We gained 2 subscribers so far during today's show. Thank you ever so much indeed to those of you that subscribed to the channel today. Thank you very much. Hi, Duchak is here. Welcome, Duchak, everybody. All right, so Mull, now there it is. It popped up and it's fallen back down again. CEI, Camber, falling back down again. Now, don't chase these stocks. We know that anyway. It's fundamental stuff, but it's very easy to get excited. Murray McKine, just bought my first Tesla share. 802, congratulations. Right, 50,000. Right, so we're now going to change it to congrats. Come on, everybody. Congratulate Murray. He's one of our members. And he's just bought his first Tesla share. He's excited about it. Congratulations, 50,000, Murray. There we go. Let's get him in. Everybody, how's about half? Who's about to half for the third time? Everybody, yeah, Bubble. You can always rely on Bubble. Whenever Bubble's here and I say do a viral post, a viral chat, guarantee that Bubble's going to come in. He does it every time. It's like a clockwork, like a Swiss clock, with a cuckoo coming out the top, going cuckoo, cuckoo. You guarantee it, 100%. I mean, it kind of makes sense, really, doesn't it? He's a bit cuckoo anyway. And Believer Bubble's doing V's. I know why you're doing V's. It's because you're doing copy and paste too quick. I do it all the time, and it gets very confusing. There we go. Bab beat you to it, Martin. Yeah, I know he did. Graphics card is here. All the old school are coming in today. All the original members are coming in today. This is good news. You know why? Because now I'm going to viral flood you with my birthday information. Tomorrow, here it is. We've got 9 likes. Tomorrow, all day, I'm live all day with my birthday show. It's not the birthday. It's not the birthday for the day trader. It's my birthday, my personal birthday. We're live all day tomorrow. Join me. My dream is, my wish is that we get our very first time of 100 people watching the show. My dream is to get 100 people watching the show. Hello there, how you doing? I can't hear you, but I can say hello to you. How are you, mate? Wherever you are around the world. Jay on TikTok just said, can I share your video? Hiya, Jay, how you doing, mate? Give us a wave. All right, mate? I can't hear you because we're through my broadcast software, but I can wave at you and it's nice to see you. Thanks for joining us. Over on stay there, I'll share it. Hang on, look at this, folks. This is a guy on TikTok right now. Look, stay there, I'll share it. Hang on, look at this, folks. This is there you go. Look, see, you're now. If you look on the screen, look on the screen now. In 10 seconds, keep watching. Look, there you are. Look, you're on YouTube. You're on YouTube right now. See, just up there. Look, you're on YouTube right now. All right, you're on YouTube right now. You're famous. There we go. He's speaking, but I can't hear him. There we go.
Right, take it easy, mate.
He's speaking, but I can't hear him. There we go.
Right, take it easy, mate.
He's speaking, but I can't hear him. All right, if you say something now, you can come through. Say something now, mate, and everybody will hear you. You ready? Go. Now, you can come through. Say something now, mate, and everybody will hear you. You ready? Go. Now, you can come through. Say something now, mate, and
subscribed
everybody
to you
will
on
hear you.
YouTube.
You ready? Go. Now, you can come through. Yeah, it's not really possible. It loops in the broadcast software, okay? But anyway, nice to have you with us. Thanks ever so much, mate. There you go. That was one of our friends there joined us over on TikTok, wanting to come in and say hello. Right, back to the main show. We've got 9 likes now on this video. So there you go. If you want to... on a loop, yeah, there it goes. There's the video. That's tomorrow's video. I'll be live with you all day. I posted it 3 times, and I want everyone to go and like the video. I've got 9 likes on it now, and there's 27 likes in this show, so everyone should have liked the video. What is going on? What is going on indeed? Muln now is dropping back. Camber is dropping back. Remember, do not chase a stock that's pumping. I had a birthday yesterday. Graphics card. You had a birthday yesterday. And if you remember, do you know what we do for members, right? We do happy birthday live in the show. But we do it for the day before, the day of, and the day after. So if you become a member right now, we will do, and you can become a member for like $1 a month, the bronze member, right? The lowest member. If you become a member right now, there's the link. We will do happy birthday live in the show for you live right now. I'll go back to my TV studio behind me here, and I will do happy birthday to you, and we'll blow up the chat. It's a member-only thing because it's what members get. So I can't do it for free. I really want to, but my members, it's one of their perks. So if you just become a member, there you go. It's only a couple of bucks. I think it'll $1.99, and you'll be a member. There's the invitation to join. I've just posted it in the chat again, and we'll do it now. We'll do happy birthday for you now, live in the studio. You can keep the video on YouTube. You can share with your friends, and the whole family here will blow up the chat for you and do happy birthday for you. All right, graphics card. We'd love you to do that. All right. If $2 a month is too much, you can always cancel it. Just do it once and cancel it if it's too much for you. But I'd love to do it for you. But obviously I have to stick to the rules because everyone, pays for that privilege. All right. Muln, everybody. As you can see now, it's dropping back. Do not chase a stock. Evgo. I'm in Evgo. Let's have a look. We are down 0.38 on my portfolio at the moment. 34.4. Muln is dropping back. CEI, Camber dropping back. McDonald's is firing off today. SoFi is down. VU, I'm down 0.5%. That's expected. Tesla popped up, but just dropped back again slightly. Rivian is dropped back slightly. Virgin Galactic popped up and then fell off again. It's now 7. We're about to go under 7 for the first time. Down 6% right now. Amazon is dropping back again. Twitter is going down. Nvidia is going down. Palantir is going down. Meta is going down. It was up. Gores Guggenheim is down. Lucid is still firing up though. Just bought Space at 7.10 and it's dropping. LOL. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, what can you say? 7.09. Do chat for us, it's the same. It's a busy period, but okay, thanks so much. I'm happy to hear you're well, Murray. I'm doing well, thank you so much. Evgo. Let me have a look at Evgo. One of my stocks is Evgo. I don't think I have much in it, though. Evgo, here it is. I can't remember what I have in it. I have 60 shares. It's up, yeah, there we go. It's up today, 6%. There we go. I have 60 shares in Evgo. That's quite nice. I'm down 7% though, so I'm not going to sell that right now. But yeah, it's doing well. Thanks for reminding me about that one. Let's get back to the comments. Bring all the comments on the screen. Do check. Just bought Space at 7.10. It's dropping, LOL. Absolutely. Right, did we get any more likes on the video? 9 likes now. It's getting better. It's slowly moving up. 9 likes. Yeah. We'll come back and check that in a minute. Oh, I've got a message from Nicholas Cullum. There we go. Nicholas Cullum. Look, there he is. On the video already. There you go. Look, there's Nicholas Cullum. Look, right at the top. Already left a message for tomorrow's show. Excellent. 9 likes. And there we go. So, how is everyone doing over there on TikTok? Can I become a member? Yes, you can become a member on YouTube. This is YouTube. The link's in the profile. Click on the profile right here, the icon, and you will see my profile on TikTok. And right behind the Instagram link is the YouTube and Instagram. Choose YouTube, come on over. Or go to youtube.com/thedaytrader1. And I'm live right now. Come and join us, and you can be involved in the show right now. And you can become a member. And I will gladly give you the link. All right? Love to have you here. Frankie, come and join us. Join YouTube. There we go. Bill's telling you. Shin Dynasty is telling you what to do. Right, okay, let's go. 34268. Let's have a look at it. Muln now is falling back down again. Camber is falling back down again. McDonald's is just dropping back a bit. SoFi is dropping back. VU is dropping back. Vanguard S&P. Tesla is now trying to push up. Much lower average now though. Rivian is also pushing up or trying to. Virgin Galactic now is 712. I'm not going to buy any more of this. Current thoughts on DWAC, and it's 20%, 21% drop since yesterday. No surprise. DWAC is bloody awful. DWAC is my most ridiculous. It's the most ridiculous stock you've ever done, and I'll tell you why. For those of you who don't know why, it's bloody, you know. And this is not a one side of the argument or not. Donald Trump brought out the Truth Social to take on Twitter, Facebook, and so on and so forth. It's all about honesty, transparency, and no one gets banned, and everyone can say what they like, and all the rest of it. But it's already shrouded with nonsense. And let me prove to you, and I know some Trump supporters will go, no, Donald Trump can't do anything wrong. Can't do anything wrong. His platform is perfect. No, it's not perfect, and I'll prove to you why it's not perfect. Look at this. This is the Truth Social right now. I set this up 3 weeks ago, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. It's about to get banned on the App Store because the App Store apparently are not happy the fact that this is sat here doing nothing, gives no information whatsoever. You can't use it. People are complaining because it doesn't give you any information. Now, the Truth Social website doesn't even tell you when it's going to go live. It doesn't give you any information. There's no updates. There's no nothing. And it's not even honest because it says that on the screen, we love you. You are not just a number. Well, I am just a number because that's the only thing I am is a number. And when I first registered it, I was 10,000. And then they bumped me to 102,000 because more important people jumped in the queue. So it's already corrupt. It's already nonsense. And the fact of the matter is, there's no information on it. Now, people keep saying, oh, when the platforms come out, they all have issues. They do not. When Facebook came out, when YouTube came out, when Google came out, when Twitter came out, when TikTok came out, there's glitches. But when you downloaded the app worked. You could use it. It might have glitches and things weren't perfect, but it worked. This is sign up, give me your information, give me your email address, and I give you nothing. Now, I'm not going to say it's not ever going to work. I'm sure it'll work. At some point in March, apparently, it's supposed to start working. But at the end of the day, it's not truthful. It's not honest. It's not transparent. It's a load of flipping nonsense, if I'm completely honest. And it's terrible. And you should expect excellence. You should expect excellence. And I'm sorry, but the way they're running this platform right now is anything less than excellence. It's absolutely a joke. There's no reason. They knew people were going to use the service. You just create a big the server to be able to accept that amount of traffic. It's ridiculous to say that they were overwhelmed and no one can sign up and it's all breaking. That's nonsense. Other platforms did not do that. Absolute nonsense. Right. Trump's Truth platform, where everyone is a number. Maybe the platform is solely for Trump to get your info, maybe backdoor to steal more information. I mean, I'm sure it's going to work. I'm sure it's not going to be like that forever. But at the end of the day, no question, 100%, I'm absolutely committed. The fact that they are managing it terribly, and there's no way on earth they are competing with Facebook and Twitter and all this stuff. It's just basically copy Twitter. They've used the same architecture as Twitter, and that's all they've done. They've not come up with anything new or innovative at all. All right? I like the idea. I'm going to be on it. I've got my account set up. But at the end of the day, the way they're running their business is absolutely awful. If I was in charge, I'd be very unhappy with everybody who worked there. Just tune in, subscribe, and ring the bell. You should expect excellence. If you are a fan of someone, don't just give them graces. You know, you're all a fan of this show, right? But I expect to be pointed out. I expect to improve my service, to be better, to be the best I can. Not, well, I'm Martyn Lucas, I'm the day trader, so I can come on here and not care. I mean, every morning I clean the studio, I shave, I put my tie on, I'm smart, I'm giving my best. I don't just go, well, I'm the day trader and I can do what I like and I'll just come on here and not care and provide a rubbish service. No, strive for excellence, push for excellence. All right. In Italy, we will be available for the end of March, maybe. Right. But people keep saying the end of March. There is nowhere it says, and I've Googled everywhere, there's nowhere it says the date that it's confirmed to come out. Nowhere. There's just rumours everywhere. All right? Although, in fairness, Martin, you do have to give Trump and his team time to create the truth as they see it. They can't use genuine facts. Yeah, they've got to create the truth. Oh, God. This is not a party political broadcast. This is simply expecting excellence. That's all. And we're not. We're allowing someone to just do anything, and it's fine. It's not fine. It is what it is. It's rubbish. It is rubbish right now. Okay. Tesla is down. Rivian is down. Virgin Galactic is down. 709 now. Amazon is going down, trying to come back up again. Twitter is going down. Everything is going down today. My overall portfolio is down 1%. I regard that as a very good day in all this, don't you? Can I become a member? Yes, Frankie, you can. Just come to YouTube. Very, very easy. Let's look at Bitcoin, our crypto, going sideways. It's up slightly today. I'm selling it at 45,000 though. And I'm selling Ethereum as well when I can make a profit on it. Coca-Cola is down 1.73. Google is up today, 0.11. Maybe, let's hope. That's from Alicia. Apple is 157, pushing up now. Right, we've had the morning sell-off. Let's go to the day trader of the day. Let's see where we are. Day trader of the day, everybody. Let's have a look. Okay, I am down, as you'd expect, 0.54%. I am down 0.54%. I regard that as a very good position, if I'm completely honest with you. I'm down 0.54. So, going to give you a 1 minute time. Wait for the clock. When the timer comes on the screen, I want to see what everyone's scores are. Before we do that, 10 likes now. 10 likes on the video. 10 likes on tomorrow's show. Thank you ever so much, everyone. Let me click like here. Sorry, not click like, click share. All right. Here is the link to the video. Everyone go and like the video. And you see where it says share here? See the share button just here? Everyone share it. Tomorrow, my dream is, I've never had ever on any of my channels, on any of my things, Day Trader, Martyn Lucas, any of it, I've never had 100 people watch a live show. Never had 100 people in a show. 100 people have watched the show over the days and weeks and so on, sometimes thousands, but I've never had 100 live in the show. So click share. That's my dream tomorrow, to get 100 people to watch the show live. At one point, at any point, to see it go to 100 people. Be absolutely amazing. That's my dream tomorrow. Anyway, I ain't got a bloody chance, but I'm hoping for it. The company was not pulling out entirely, but Yum said it would redirect all profits from operations in Russia to humanitarian efforts. It's also donating $1 million to the Red Cross. There we go. Thank you very much indeed for bringing that out. This is WEBULL. Just the information he just sourced from the BBC. The company was not pulling out entirely, but they are giving their profits to the Red Cross. In some respects, that's not a bad idea. Take the profits out of Russia and give them. I mean, if you just pull out, I mean, there's two sides to it, isn't it? You punish the, how much are you really punishing the Russians by saying you can't buy a can of Coke? I mean, it's inconvenient, isn't it? But if you make the money and then send it to the war effort, I guess it's more useful. I don't know. You decide that one, I guess. Mong is coming back up again now. CEI is now falling back down. McDonald's is up. SoFi is pushing up. VU is trying to push up again now. I'm just down 0.9 today. So overall, my total return now is 0.9. That's perfectly normal. Today I bought in on it. Perfectly fine. Tesla is pushing up. Rivian. Right. Rivian is now up today. Look at this. This is good. We've got the earnings report for Rivian March the 10th. The day after my birthday, we've got Rivian. So we might get a couple of days now of rising. Now I want to trim off. It's 7% of my portfolio. As that starts to go up to my average at 56, that's going to become 12, 13%. So I'm definitely going to trim off, take some profits. We might get a rise going into the earnings report. Not used to the penny stocks. They get the adrenaline going. Certainly, Nicholas Morello, you're absolutely right. Nicholas, was it you asking about the membership? Was it you? Somebody was asking about membership and they haven't done it yet. I'm just going to repost it. There's the invitation to join. I posted it 3 times so you can see it in the live chat. Click on that in the browser and you can become a member. Steve, TMC and AQMS. Let's welcome Steve to the show. Good morning. Steve, we'd like to welcome you into the show. Would everybody please put their cities and countries, and let's welcome Steve in. So first of all, I'll be first. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the World Piano Man, voted by Sir Elton John. This is my my TV studio on the Martyn Lucas channel, the music channel, which is on the homepage of the Day Trader YouTube channel. I've raised over $1 million. This is me live right now. I'll turn around. There you go. This is me live in my TV studio. I've raised over $1 million for charities on my live music shows. And every day I do a Ukraine event. That's why we're yellow and blue here in the studio right now. And I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, but my studio is in Dallas, Texas. That's where I am right now. And we're actually live on multiple platforms. I'm not a financial advisor, as you can probably tell, but this is my real money, my real stocks, my real shares. I trade with you. And in this chat, Peru Invest, Nicholas Morello, Duchak, WEBULL, Alicia, Patricia, all these people here. We have some very small and very large, very, very special investors. Peru Invest, we think, is like an angel investor. Gives us an amazing tips. Huge investor, like really big investor, and supports us every day. We have people donate to the channel. We have people support the channel. Everything on this channel is here to support you and help you. We're a family. I don't make hardly any money out of the channel at all, about $10 a day. But I'm here. We are 7 months old. We're nearly 8 months old. And we're here to create a family. And what I do is bring everyone together. As an entertainer, that's kind of what I do. And I love doing so. So we all grow together and we all make money together. That's what this is all about. So there you go. If you're new to the channel, click subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. We're live every morning for the opening bell, every evening for the closing bell. And in between, we do an event every day for Ukraine on the music channel, every day. And we have guests join us not from Ukraine yet, but we have had people from Poland join us. And everything you see here is real, genuine, honest. This is my real cash, my full life savings. I have no more money anywhere else. It's all here. Right, I'm up today, 1.11. Nobody posted their score. Let's do day trader of the day. I'm up 1.11%. Okay, let me post it. 1.1. It's just dropped back a tad. 1.11. Right, 1 minute from now. Everyone post your scores. Are you ready? Let's get the scores on the doors. Let's see who wins the day trader of the day. Here we go. Go! I'm up 1.11 on the day. You didn't set the time. You're right. I did now. Mullen is down. CEI is dropping back again now. McDonald's is firing off. SoFi is returning. VU. Right, here we go. Do Chat goes into the lead. 3.8 up. Up 0.92. I'm down. Beetle Sean. Up 0.5-ish. Duchak still holds the lead. Duchak still holds the lead. Over there on TikTok. Rich, thank you for the follow. Go Silver, Billy Smith. Can I become a member? Go Silver, Billy Smith, you can. Nicholas Morello down. Looks like the winner is... up 0.009. It looks like the winner, Dave Mottram, down 1.26. The winner is Duchak. What a great, great score. Look at that. Duchak is done very, very well. I'm up now 1.6%. My portfolio is doing very, very well indeed today. Look at that. Right, so... so what we're doing right now is this. Let me explain. First of all, let me bring up something right now. First of all, thank you for your honest trades. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him a big round of applause. Duchak, great score. There we go. Congratulations, Duchak. Murray is up 50,000. Yeah. Murray's up 50,000. Cheers. Still down this month, though. Oh, well. Okay. I mean... everyone's down this month, right? LOL at Believer Bubble. There we go. 50,000. Murray is up 50,000. Now then, I'm up 2.11. My portfolio is now doing very, very well. Very, very well indeed. I've moved into S&P 500. I'm out of Mullen. I'm out of Camber. McDonald's is doing well for me today. SoFi is pushing up. VU is pushing up now, 0.32 down, much, much better. Tesla is now 813. Got 7 share, 813, pushing up. I can't wait for the day my bag holds to pump so I can get out. There we go, 812. Rivian, I'm going to trim back on Rivian, take some money from Rivian. What about Lucid? Look at that, up 3% today. Absolutely fantastic. Lucid is doing well. Really, really great. GGPI is moving up. Facebook is moving up today. Peloton is moving up as well. Nvidia is also moving up. Twitter is moving up. Amazon is moving up. Virgin Galactic is moving up. So, what we're looking to do, the one we want to trim off is Rivian. Rivian has its earnings report on Thursday. So I reckon we're going to get some rises up to then and sell it along the way and take it out. EVGO looks like it's an upwards trend finally. EVGO. Let's go back into EVGO. EVGO. Let's have a look. I've got shares in it. Yes, it is. It's I'm still down 9%. I've got 60 shares of it. 60 shares is a reasonable amount, actually. It's 1% of my portfolio, but if that goes up, it could very much double very, very quickly. That's about right. So I'm keeping that there. That's my other EV. That's my charging systems. They're going to do very well in time. So they have to do well. They have to do well because we're going to need these charging stations. Bag holding DARE because it was FDA approved on the first drug designation for a drug that affected 30% of women, yet the stock down 50% since they got the drug approval. Anyone know why? Nicholas Morello, that's very interesting. I wonder if anyone can answer that question. Bag holding DARE because it has an FDA approval and first drug designation for a drug that affects 30% of women, yet the stock is down 50% since they got the drug approved. Anyone know why? Nicholas Morello. Is it? You said it's called Dare. Is that the name of the? Is that the name of the company? Dare. Let me have a look. DARE. Dare Biosense. Is this what? Is this one you're looking at? Yeah, I have not had any luck, if you want to call it luck. I have not had any success on pharmaceuticals. They are extremely volatile, and you're waiting for a bit of magic to come out, you know, when they get a breakthrough. But there are other people competing with them, and then all of a sudden, they go down again. And the other thing as well is with companies like this, they have a huge amount of debt very often. I don't know about this company, I've not looked into it, but very often there's a huge amount of money goes into research, and it takes a lot of money before they make any money. So if you hit it right, and they suddenly become the new drug of the year and everyone buys it and it's great, yet it can explode more than anything. But it's extremely high risk. And I've tried several pharmaceuticals like this, and I've lost on every single one. Oh, smash the like. Hey, that makes some, let's make some gains. Hey, smash the like, Robert. I got beaten again. I don't like getting beaten while it's going on. I don't like getting beaten. So okay, smash the like. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Okay. Okay, smash the like, Robert. There he is. Okay, I'm going to end the poll. 89%, that's nearly 27 people, want Bubble to call in tomorrow live on the show during my birthday and do a live Bubble show on my birthday. It's brilliant. I think it's absolutely brilliant. Now, silver members who are not yet on my homepage of the YouTube channel, let me know if you want to be. I don't put you on automatically. If you are a silver member, gold or sponsor, and you'd like to be on the homepage of my YouTube channel, tell me and I'll put you on there. I'll put you on there today. And also, if you make me a manager of your YouTube channel, I will also make you a video and post it to your channel, and we'll all watch it during a busy period. I'll get everyone to jump out of my show and watch your show. Okay, so it's very, very important you tell me you want that. Serious question. If I ask you what is the next Amazon and Tesla kind of stock, what are your picks? Serious question. If I ask you what is the next Amazon and Tesla kind of stock, what is your picks? Very, very quick answer. Virgin Galactic, SPCE. I didn't even have to think about it. That's why I'm in it. Kind of makes sense. I wouldn't just say something if I wasn't in it. What would be the point of that? I'm only ever bullish. I'm never bearish. The price is not what you invest in. It's the value. I know Richard Branson. I know where this stock's going. This is purely price because everyone's selling out because of the world the way it is and so on and so forth. Dude Jack, it's his age. He probably forgets what he got up to. What he got up to do. What's that? Joe Biden's statement on Russia in 30 minutes, although he's always late. He's probably got to go and have a cup of tea like me. Virgin to $5, then we bounce. See, I don't believe any of these things. No one can predict Virgin's going to go to $5, $6, $4. I mean, you can't. A chart merely shows what happened in the past. You do not know that everyone, that the price will go to 5. It might go to 1. It might go to 20, right? The point is, overall, the stock is going to go up. No question about it, all right? Okay? unless we all have a third world war and we're all dead. I mean, what the hell, you know? But assuming that ain't going to happen, it's a great stock, right? And I love what Richard Branson's doing. I love his innovation. But you can't predict and guarantee where a stock's going. It's impossible. No one knows. It's just not possible. There's no way you can guarantee that. Because at the end of the day, why does a stock go up and down? A stock goes up and down because people buy in and sell it. That's it. That's all there is. Right? This could be the worst stock in the world. But if everybody believed in it, when you try to buy a stock, does anyone know actually how it actually works? I'll tell you how it actually works. If you want to buy a stock and there are people selling it, remember, you don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted that you can buy in a stock. You can't always buy in a stock. It's not, I want to buy a stock, you can buy a stock. If no one is selling, you can't buy a stock. Analysts still call Virgin a penny stock. Well, that's up to them. They don't understand it then. In my portfolio, I bought 20,000 worth of IONQ and 100% sure it'll 20x in the next 3 years. IONQ. Higher bullish volume makes the stock go up. All it is this. If you want to buy a stock and no one is selling, the price will go up and up and up and up and up until someone sells. That's how it works. It doesn't mean to say you want to buy a stock, you can buy a stock. You want to sell a stock, you can sell a stock. You can only sell a stock if someone is willing to buy it. That's why the stock goes up. Because if you're trying to sell a stock and no one wants to buy, the price goes down until someone buys. That's how the market makers make the system work. So what drives a stock is nothing to do with how good or bad it is. Of course, that drives sentiment, why you would buy or sell the stock, but that is not directly what drives a stock. What drives a stock is you wanting to buy it and somebody else not selling it, so the price goes up and now more people want it, and then at some point people start to sell it, make profits, and so on and so forth. That is what it is. Right now, everyone knows that Virgin Galactic are not going to fly any spaceships until the end of the year. We all know that. We all know that 100% because they've told us that. They've told us that. We all know that is exactly what's going to happen. So everyone is taking their money out, and a lot of people are buying oil right now. So all the money that would be in Virgin Galactic is now in oil. And everyone's making loads of money on oil. And in a minute, the oil will crash back down because everyone will take profits. And then they'll go, right, I've got 10 times the amount of money. Now I'm going to buy Virgin Galactic. Now I'm going to buy Amazon. Now I'm going to buy Tesla. And then those stocks will be oversaturated. Everybody will try to buy in. People won't want to sell because they've got their stocks really low. And then the price will go up. And then some people will start selling. And then more people will buy and the price will go up. And that's how it works. That is how it works. So at the end of the day, no one can predict exactly where a stock is going. No one. Absolutely no one. And a chart only tells you where the stock has been and what it's likely to do. But without any doubt about it, it's no guarantee on anything that it will do that. Absolutely 100%. No reason why the stock would do anything just because it did it. Right. Peru Invest. My 2018 investment making me a lot in 2022. And my 2022 investment makes me a lot in 2025. When I bought NEO at 130, Tesla under 50, people were laughing at me. I don't look chart crap. Yes! I am really excited about that because Peru Invest clearly knows what he's doing and I don't look at chart crap. I have been saying since the day one, and remember what I am. I'm an entertainer, not a financial guy, but I'll tell you what, I'm not in debt. I don't owe any money. I own my own house, right? And I lost it all once. You know I lost it. Went bankrupt once. The One Night in Vegas theatre show I ran for 8 years. It was a passion. And we lost money when I had no one to fund and help me. So I did it all on credit cards because I knew the show was great. And unfortunately, we lost it all because when the banks, Lehman Brothers and all that stuff crashed, the credit crunch, no one went to the theatre anymore. I couldn't sell tickets because no one was going to the theatre. And we had the number 2 best-selling one-night show in England. The number 1 was That'll Be the Day. Number 2 was One Night in Vegas. We were doing great. But there was no money invested in my show. It was all me on my own. And I had no money to support or promote the show, but yet we were still running for 8 years. Never cancelled shows, paid everybody. So I even though I'm an entertainer, not a financial guy, I think I've had some sort of success in this. And I'm so excited that Peru Invest has just said that. I don't look at chart crap. I've watched people with their charts go in, they draw lines anywhere they like. It's like looking into the sky, seeing clouds and going, the clouds, if you look closely, you can see a face of, or you can see a train, or you can see a dog jumping over a cat. You can draw lines anywhere you like. And people keep saying it. BitBoy on YouTube, Bitcoin's going to go to 100,000 because it did this last month. It's absolute nonsense. Absolute bloody nonsense. You can't predict the future. A chart is merely a physical image, a picture that we drew of what the stock did. Doesn't predict anything. And saying that a line here and a line there crosses here, a head and shoulders, does the stock know it's a pretty picture? No. The people at Tesla who are building cars do not know that a head and shoulders is forming and a double dip and a triple dip and a bounce back and a resistance line are forming. No, all they're doing is busy building great cars for the future and people want them. That's it. CEI loaded up on the Ask Fusion CEI. Shall we have a look? CEI, got some great points coming in right now. I want to share with everybody. CEI is pumping up again. I'm out of it right now. And I'm back to where I used to be. Let's have a look. Peru, what do you base your stock picks on? Probably the same. I'm going to put my neck on the line and probably the same as me. Right? I just haven't had the growth yet. I've only been trading a few months. Remember, I grew my portfolio from 5,000 to 58. I've not had complete lack of success, guys. I have grown it from 5,000 to 58. Then we had a pullback. I'm still at 34. Let's get one thing straight. Right? But the thing is, I'm gonna put my neck on the line and see if Peru agrees with me because I respect what Peru says, right? The fact of the matter is, I invest in the future of where the world is going. I have spent 37 years touring 195 countries, literally entertaining millions of people, reading an audience. Reading people, and it's people that drive the stock. If everyone gets greedy and everyone is desperate, everyone buys oil. So that's understanding people, and what you want to do is the opposite. You want to buy when everyone else is selling. You want to sell when everyone else is buying. And yesterday, I forgot all those principles and jumped in on following a trend that had already happened, rather than sticking to my own principles and what I believe in. And I reckon that Peru Invest might be like me. He's investing in the future of where he sees the world going, not where it was. Doesn't look at charts, looks at people and reacts to what people are doing and how people are reacting. And it's people that drive everything. It's a person now who is trying to start a third world war. One man. Vladimir Putin's doing that. Peru, let's read some of these comments. Let's have a look. To me, representing buying and selling event, nothing else. All the chart reader is just stupid to me. Just my opinion, sorry. I'm right there. I can't believe that someone is so successful, so, doing the right thing, is obviously in the same camp as me. I'm really chuffed with that. Biden will be talking about putting ban on Russian oil and gas. Let's see what he does to say about oil and gas increasing production. There we go, Muzanella. Caden, charts work well for some people though. Right. Listen, charts don't work for anyone. And I'll tell you why charts don't work for anyone. Right? If you use charts and you live on charts and you've had success, it's not because of the chart. It's because the stock was going where it was going anyway. The chart didn't tell you where it was going. If it did, people would be predicting the future and getting it right all the time, but they're not. The biggest investors in the world, the most successful people in the world, have lost millions, have gone bankrupt loads of times. Banks have gone bankrupt. If a chart was a factual thing, we would all be making money all the time, but we're not. Bitcoin was supposed to hit 100,000. Yes, it was. And people like BitBoy and these big traders and Graham Stepan and Meet Kevin and so on, right? These guys are not professional financial advisors. They've not got a degree in financial advice. They are simply people who are growing a YouTube channel, trending on making money on trends. And those guys make $10,000 a video. 3 videos a day, 30 grand a day. They can come on and tell you anything you want because you'll watch their channel because you want to, because they understand people like me. They understand people, except rather than supporting them, they're manipulating them, right? They're influencing the market. And it's been proven time and time again. Many of the big YouTubers will influence the market just to get you to do what they want you to do. And there's evidence to show that. There's actual chart evidence to show you some of the big traders will tell you one thing just as they've set an order to sell it. Right? No chart. And now these same people who've spent the last years telling you Bitcoin's going to be 100,000. I've always said I believe Bitcoin could be 100,000. But I never predicted a date, a time, or guarantee it will do anything because no one bloody well knows. And at the end of the day, if everyone believes it will, it will. If you can convince the whole world to buy Virgin Galactic today, and everyone tries to buy it and no one sells it, the price will go to $1 million. It won't stop. It will keep going up and up and up. Martyn, you should air the Biden speech today. Okay. What channel is it on? When does it go live? I'll do it. What channel is it on? Send me the Biden speech and I'll do it. It'll probably be on. Let me have a look. Lifehouse hearing. Lifehouse. I'll bring it on. It'll probably be on CNBC. I'll bring it up. We'll listen to it live, okay? Okay. As soon as it goes live, I will bring it on. We'll have the Biden speech, okay? Let me know when it goes live. 5,000 to 58. That's amazing. Well, yeah, I'm back at 34 now, though. 2 days until CPI report. Peak FUD. I future travel in mind, and I future travel in my mind, and that's exactly how I feel. Future travel, and I find the stock. That's exactly what I think. CryptoFunk, if you use another site than Robinhood, you would know charts actually can make you bank. I use Thinkorswim, and I make 600 almost every day off them because their charts are great. Charts do nothing. Charts are just a reflection of the past. If you use them and it makes you feel comfortable, that's what makes money. The fact that you feel comfortable and you don't sell under stress because you believe in it. It's all you need is something to believe in and you'll be okay. CryptoFunk, there you go. I'm going to put that on the thing now. If you use another site than Robinhood, you would know charts actually can make you bank. I use Thinkorswim and I make 600 almost every day. The only reason you make $600 a day is because you've invested enough in it. You can't make $600 if you've only got $10, right? And what it did, it gave you the discipline and the understanding and to be able to relax and to be confident. Whereas if you're not using, for you, using a chart gives you that balance and that center. That's all it is. It's not the chart that's doing it. It's you that's being able to trade calmly. If you're day trading, making trades every few seconds, you have to use a chart to determine volume, what the algos are doing. No, and I'll tell you why I don't think so. The reason is is you're not competing against anyone. If you're trying to time the market and make more money than everyone else, you're riding it right up to the line. And remember, the people with the best technology and the best brains in the world will always beat you. They will always beat you because they know more information, they've got more technology, faster technology, more up-to-date information. Remember, what we're seeing here as retail traders may have happened microseconds ago when people in the know have already sold their position. So, at the end of the day, decide what you want to achieve. Do you want to achieve financial freedom? Do you want to earn $10,000 a year? Is that enough for you? Then build a plan that builds that in. Build a plan, start by paying off the mortgage, start by paying off the credit cards, invest, and then stick to your plan. And that's it. Now, you could put your money all in the S&P 500, $10,000, $100,000, and earn 10 grand a year without doing anything at all. Now, if that's all you need, that's a great way of doing it. If you're day trading, if you're day trading, making trades every few seconds, you have to use a chart to determine the volume to a degree. Exactly, my friend, Robert Durant. If chart makes you millions, then no one will be poor. If chart makes you millions, then no one will be poor. There we go. And it doesn't. And remember, everyone who sells is because someone else is left holding the bag. For everyone who sells their stocks, somebody else has to buy it and be holding the bag. I have no respect for the misleading people. Always a winner and a loser in every trade. That's absolutely right. I watch Graham Stepan, but I really like Andre Cech. Yeah, these guys, I watch Andre Cech. I watch Graham Stepan. I watch Meet Kevin. I've watched BitBoy from time to time. All right, let me tell you, they're great YouTubers. They're making 10 grand a video. Right? And I couldn't care less about making 10 grand a video. I just want a family of traders that enjoy the show, that are here. When BitBoy or Crypto Banter say, go all in, sell. There you go. I don't want to use too strong a language, guys, but some people do not care about you. I do. It's whatever I say on YouTube is recorded in history. I don't delete the videos. What I'm saying now, you can go back on, and people have done it. People on Reddit, people on, I think it's Reddit, yeah, Reddit, have actually got my videos, copied, taken sound bites, twisted it all around, and tried to say stuff that I'm a fraud, everything I do is made up, this is nonsense, and I'm just a tiny little YouTuber, and people have done it. And I know that, and people are manipulating everything I say. But I don't care about that. Everything I say is here, watch it live, unedited, as it comes out. Even my videos that I make are live. I just feel it and say it. I don't edit them at all. I never edit my videos. All the videos I make, the actual videos, not the live shows, they're all live. And I genuinely do give a shit. I genuinely care because I am the most honoured man in the world. I've toured 195 countries. I've entertained millions of people around the world. And now I sit here with you and run a day trading show. But it's more than that. You're all with me together. The day trader fan. What is this debate? Look at this. Everybody, look at this. Somebody has used my image. Look at that. What? Look at that. Unbelievable. What is this debate? The day trader fan. Look at this, everybody. I've got somebody's come in and used my face. What the hell? What's all that about? The day trader fan. This is incredible. You have a fan, Martin Beetle, Sean, Algo's doing pants at the moment. Yeah, forget algorithms. The day trader fan. Enough. There are two things going on there. You have people investing and people day trading. And in other news, a seagull has just flown in my window, made a hell of a bang, and made me jump a mile. Oh yeah, stupid bird. He sat on the windowsill looking dazed. Agree with Fusion. What did Fusion say? There are two things going on here: people investing and people day trading. Exactly. They're the same thing. People like to separate day trading from investing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Why do you make money? So you invest it. Day trading is to make money. Investing is to make money. And I do both at the same time. People like to separate it. It's not. Swing trading, day trading, scalp trading, it's all trading. It's all investing. I'm a momentum trader. Don't label yourself. You are a person trying to make money, period. I watch and watch until I see a setup that looks good. I'm not going to buy CEI on 2 huge red candles until it consolidates. Fair enough? Fair enough. I buy CEI because the world is now, we have a problem with oil and everyone's getting greedy and CEI is pumping. That's it. Do you know CEI is a junk company? It hasn't even reported. It's got all sorts of lawsuits against it. No one in their right mind would invest in Camber Energy. It's a badly run company. People are buying into it today because we got this oil crisis and they can make money. That's it, period. And then you could sell your stock, make a lot of money, and then buy the S&P 500 and guarantee you can't lose. That's all it is. That's all it is. A lot of people have entered into pump and dumps because of crypto, banter, and BitBoy. Yep, talk nonsense. Talking nonsense. I am here for you. You can criticize me all day long, but I am here for you and this family. This is what we're about. Good afternoon. Paul B is here. Stop, Martin. You're losing subs because of this. I've been watching your sub count. I'm not losing subs at all. I've lost 2 subscribers. That's perfectly normal. That's nothing. That's no big deal. Stop, Martin. You're losing subs. What do you mean? I'm not changing the content today. I'm not doing anything different than I've ever done before. I'm the same every day. If I don't even know who you are. Day trader fan. If you want to see some crazy other level of chart, remember also what I do here is not to get subscribers. I do what's best for you, the people that watch. That's it. Read what DoChat just said. If you want to see some crazy other levels of chart trading, even if you don't like it or not, watch Ross from Warrior Trading. It's absolutely insane. Sounds good. I'll try and check it out. Do chat. We trust you, Martin. Don't worry. Everything is here to see. Not like the famous YouTubers. That's right. That's right. The other YouTubers you talk about, right? Ross is a scammer, Fusion. Right. Listen. Someone just said I've just lost. The day trader fan said I'm losing subscribers by being honest. Well, good. Then unsubscribe. Then. Unsubscribe. If you don't want to follow the show, don't follow the show. But I'm probably the only financial guy on YouTube that actually shows you his real money, his real trades, his entire bank account on the screen. That's my entire bank account on the screen. I have about $5,000 in the bank. That's it. I pay off my mortgage. I've done that. I've told you. This is my real money. I'm not BitBoy telling you to do one thing when I've got money sat over here doing something else, just so you subscribe to me. And if you want to unsubscribe because you don't like it, unsubscribe then. All right? I love your logical approach, Martin. Thank you, DCU. He might be a scammer, but he's crazy to watch, and he does... yeah, but the thing is, Fusion, you're watching his channel. Those big YouTubers make $10,000 a video. You are paying to watch that. You are paying, because essentially you're using your time, to watch a guy who doesn't give a damn about you, who's making loads of money. And I respect him for doing it. It's just not who I am. If your life ambition is just to make money out of every possible situation and you don't care what you say or do, then fine. Become a drug dealer. I mean, do anything. I mean, become Vladimir Putin and invade a country. Do anything. It's not me. Martin, what do you think of my advice? Timing the market isn't a good goal. No. It's the only goal. What do you think of my advice? Timing the market isn't a good goal of investing. It's the only goal. Well, timing the market's great, but that's only if you want to rinse every cent out of it. You don't need to time the market. You can go just below the market and go, I've made $10. Everybody else is trying to make 12, 13. I made 10. I'm out. I'm done. But the guy's sitting there trying to make 12 and 13. At any minute, the price could drop. And that's how I do it. I'm not trying to beat anyone. I'm just trying. Timing the market is great, but just go under. Time the market by just going under a little bit. If you've made 10%, sell it. Who cares if you could have made 20? You've made 10%. You put your money in the bank, you make 0.5% profit. I like it, I think. The day trader fan isn't trying to manipulate you into changing Martyn. That's how it starts. Stay strong. The day trader is trying to manipulate you into changing Martyn. That's how it starts. Stay strong, Martyn. Nicholas Morello. Thanks, mate. Yep. I'll be myself until the day it's over. You tell her, Martyn. I have found an inverse rule for every broker. Few people I follow now have said potential crypto crash incoming. Yeah. So the same people that said Bitcoin was going to go to 100,000, which I believe it could, right, are now saying it's about to go to nothing. Well, you were reading a chart a minute ago. It told you it was going to 100,000. You're talking crap. You're talking absolute nonsense. Timing the market is not investing. It's what traders do. Investors make long-term holds because the market and volatility awesome for traders. Yep. Space is coming back up. There we go. All the comments. We got through all the comments. Brilliant. Okay. Let's go. Let's close some of these positions down because I've got a lot open right now. Right. My portfolio today, with all my nonsense that I don't know what I'm talking about, I'm up 1.94% on a market that's crashing and selling out and all the rest of it. Bitcoin is now 38.5. I'm waiting to sell my Bitcoin as it hits 45,000. Because I think it might do that. I think it, all this stuff is good. I think it's good. But, I'm not going to invest my whole life on it. Right. Evgo is doing well. The portfolio is now I'm up nearly 3%. Whoa! Evgo is shooting up. Mullen. I'm out of Mullen. I'll close that down right now. Camber. We'll keep it open because I know some of you want to watch it. McDonald's is doing well. SoFi is pumping up. Bitcoin is not going to 100,000. No chance anytime soon. If anything, it's going further south. US oil sanctions against Russia about to be announced any moment. I have a feeling we are going to have a big leg down on tech. Brent about to skyrocket. Steve, TMC up 56%. Today, traded it twice. That was the bottom, folks. That was the bottom. Okay, look at this now. SoFi is firing off. VU is firing up now. Tesla is up 8.19. Wow. Wow. 2%. Rivian is now pumping up. Look at that. Up 2.4%. People are now tired of selling and they're buying. Virgin Galactic now is making me money. It's at 7.51. Lots of problems out there. Tech solves them. I totally agree. It's why tech is my biggest investment. Tech solves the problem. All right. It's the future. Amazon is pumping up. Twitter is pumping up. Nvidia is pumping up. Peloton is, oh my gosh, everything. What about Gores Guggenheim? Up. Lucid, up. 6%. Far from bottom. This is a bull trap. When the European markets close, it's going to be brutal. Remember market profit. He will tell you, it will come up next in the chat. He will tell you he's right 50% of the time. All right. I've no idea. And here is very interesting. Always be yourself. Whoever that was, the day trader fan, they came in, used my picture as their icon. You saw that on the screen? Look at that, folks. That person now subscribed and unsubscribed, and he's the only person that subscribed and unsubscribed. They were trying to manipulate the channel. There it is. And now they didn't even come back and comment on my comments to them. Nothing. That's market manipulation there. That's YouTube manipulation there. Right. I am up 3.5% today. I'm having one of my best day. Russian hackers. Who cares? Hack away. Do your best. All right? If you tell the truth, if you stand by what you believe in, and if you literally, you put everybody first. The reason why I get up in the morning, shower and dress, put on my best suit, put on my tie, make sure the studio is here, is because I'm here for you. The rest will take care of itself. I would be absolutely no one if no one was watching the channel, would I? If I was sitting here with no one watching, what the bloody hell would be the point of that channel? Be absolutely bloody useless. Rubbish. And I invite publicly now, Graham Stepan, BitBoy, Meet Kevin, Cryptos Are Us, George, any one of those guys. I'd love you to be on my channel. I would give you love, respect, but we'd have an honest conversation. We'd have an honest conversation. Let's blitz the chat. The chat's exploding. What's going on? Incredible. Russian hackers, let's blitz the chat. Tomorrow, you can. Tomorrow is my birthday. I'll be here with you all day for the open and close. I heard it was an aliens trying to control the market. Dinosaurs love tacos. Oh my gosh. Right. We've now got 10 likes on this video. This is tomorrow's show. My dream is tomorrow is to have 100 people live watching the show live. Not 100 views. We get that easy. 100 people watching the show live. We've now got 10 likes. I've given you the link in the chat. Go and like the video and click the share button. Honestly, guys, I've got no chance in hell. Because the most we've ever had watching the show was 55. And there's no chance in hell that I could have 100 watching me live. But I'm dreaming and hoping, right? It'd be nice. There it is. All right. We're up now 4%. My portfolio is up to 35.9. There we go. Look at that, everybody. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. Loads of follows now on TikTok. We are now up $35,000. 36. Look at that. Exploding right now. If anybody wants to watch the president's speech, let me know. Let me end the poll right now. What was this poll? Who thinks bubble? There we go. We got 35 votes. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do a poll now. Martyn, sell into strength and buy into weakness. Take some profit. It's about to get ugly on the European close. I'm not going to sell my shares. I'm not taking any more profits. I'm not. Because I bought extremely low, and I'm not selling these profits now. I bought ridiculously low, and I am holding my course now. So I'm not taking profits. I'm not taking profits. I bought so low on stocks. I know market profit thinks Tesla is only worth $200. I know that. And I have said, and I'll say again, Elon Musk is worth $1,000 a share just by himself because of his innovative ideas, his commitment to dedication, perfection, dedication, work, and his morals to doing something good for the world. That in itself is worth $1,000 a share. So now I've bought Tesla at these low prices and I'm making money. I could sell it on this profit and then buy it back if it drops, but I've been doing that now for a long time. That hasn't got me anywhere. I'm now holding for a while until I really make some serious profit. Martyn, sell into strength, buy into weakness, take some profit. That's coming up from a market profit right now. We are up now 3.5%, 35.7. Let's see how we are on the week. We're still down the week. Okay, don't say I didn't warn you about the next leg down. Sell it on the highs and buy into. I've been doing that now for quite a while. I've been doing that for quite a while. I'm going to hold now and that's fine. Rivian, SPCE, 755 now, up 3% now today. I'm now making money on SPCE. Now, what I am looking to do is trim off stocks which aren't worth what they are valued at right now, what the price is. Rivian, I want to trim off. I do not want to own 10% of my portfolio in Rivian. All right. And as this continues to climb, which it might do before March the 11th earnings report, I will trim off. I'll own some, but I'd like to trim off. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. Where's it going? It's 38.6. Market profit. Does this apply to crypto as well, or just stocks? Make profits wherever you can. Never hold on to a stock if you don't like the fundamentals, if you think it's a waste of time. That's fine. Google is now up today, up nearly 1%. Apple is down. People don't like the new products, obviously. Boeing is up 2.49. Rolls-Royce is also up today, 4%. Very, very nice. On is up today. We need semiconductors. Of course we do. It applies to everything. If you're a day trader, you sell into strength. There you go. I agree. But don't label yourself. You're not a day trader. No one is. You're a human being trying to make money. You invest in day trading, scalp trading, swing trading, long-term investment. Does it really matter? You know, you do all of it, all at once. Right. We are now up 4%. I went to zero cash at opening bell today. Cash doesn't earn you any money. The cash sat at the side of your portfolio doesn't earn you any money. It's been proven over history. Those of you that are all in, invested fully, will make the most over the long term. And the long term is the only term you care about. Because the long term is when you are planning on retiring. Who's planning on retiring today? Then you need short term. If you're planning on retiring in the future, I like it. I like that one. That's funny. Look at that. I think that's hilarious. Let me put it on the screen. I don't want to use the words in case I get in trouble on YouTube or even trying to make money. There you go. That's it. Have mummy and daddy stopped fighting now? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. We're up 4.5% now. This is one of my best ever days right now. All right. Evgo is pumping up. CEI, I'm out of it right now. McDonald's is doing well. SoFi is doing well. VU is doing well now. Tesla is up. Now there's interesting, look, you see. Now, this is why I've moved heavily into VU today. Let's get drunk for your birthday, Martyn. Yes, I'm going to have beers all over here. And what I'll do is because I want 100 viewers, every time we get 10 more viewers in, I'll drink another pint of beer. Or every time we get a super chat, I'll take another shot. Oh my God, it's going to be hilarious. I think one day a year, why not? All right, okay. Let's do it right. Let's create a poll. Will we get 100 live viewers on my birthday? And don't forget to do that. Everyone's got to share and tell everyone. All right, here we go. Will we get 100 live viewers on my birthday? All right. So what I'll do tomorrow, we'll put in drinking games. We'll put in drinking games whereby I have to do stuff. If we get, I will buy 50 super chats just to watch you take shot after shot. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do it. Once a year we will do it. All right. Once a year we will do it. Okay, bearing in mind, folks, I get drunk on a pint of beer, so we have to be very, very careful with that. I don't want to kill myself, right? I'm going to make the super chats too expensive. I'm going to line up all my drinks and take shots. But it's going to be $100 super chat per shot because I'll be drunk on the second one, all right? So don't think you're going to come on here and donate 99 cents to see me drink a pint of whiskey because I'd be dead. Right. Evgo, CEI, Camber. Let's look at Virgin Galactic, SPCE. Right, now then. Get your wife on standby to put you to bed midstream. Yeah. Now, as you remember, yesterday we were a bit late for the Ukraine event. We get serious. Every day we do the Ukraine event. That's coming up in under an hour on the Martyn Lucas channel, so I'll be there. Did we get any more likes on the video for tomorrow? Here it is. If you've not yet liked the video, here is tomorrow's video. It's on 10 likes now. Smash the like button. You can leave a message in the super chat. Sorry, you can leave a message in the chat. That's what I meant to say. Right, 35.6. We're up at the moment. Bitcoin is at $21 down. Ethereum is $700 down. We're up now, 35.7. Get your wife on standby. Right, we need to quickly hear from our sponsors. Let me have a quick look. Let's have a look. How many people come through the show? 127. EV stocks should do well. I've just paid the deposit on my new solar panels, battery storage and car charger. So I'm skint. Love it. Rob McLean, what a way to go. Excellent. So proud of you. Well done. Well done indeed. I've got solar on my house in England, and my house is off grid. Cost me nothing to run the electric. It's brilliant. If I was over there now, my car would plug in. It'd be free. Brilliant. You can't get wrong. You can't go wrong with it, can you? How can you go wrong with that? All right. I need to run a quick ad. We need to make some money on the channel. You ready? Be back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. There we go. The sponsor video never plays for me, but maybe this is because I pay YouTube. That's right. It still earns me a cent. DCU, you will earn me 1 cent. Because you pay for YouTube Premium, okay, you pay not to see the ad, so YouTube will give me 1 cent per no ad. That's basically what it is. Depending on your demographic and your age and your country and so on and so forth, and what you would normally watch, would depict how much money I get. But if you are a middle-aged man in America who invests in stocks and shares, I would earn a cent a day. It could be less. It will be a lot less if you live in India and so on. I never see ads. I have normal YouTube. Is that then you are watching on a mobile or I'm on YouTube Premium, one of my best subscription services. Yeah, Market Profit, same thing. Market Profit, when I run an ad like that, you didn't see it because you pay for YouTube Premium, and I would get a cent from YouTube, depending on your demographic. That's how that works. But when you watch the videos back later, you will see the videos on a mobile device, iPad and phone. YouTube's taking over. YouTube's taking over the world. Right, we're up 4%. Lucid ripping today. Lucid. Yep. Whoa! Lucid. Now, Lucid is one of those stocks. I am up 2%. Look at this. I believe I've got an extremely low price on Lucid. Extremely low. I always see ads. I think Martyn had a special button that makes it always appear. There we go. That's because you don't pay YouTube Premium and you are on a computer. You're not watching on a phone or an iPad. You're watching on a computer. And there you go. Dave Mottram earns me half of 1 cent because he's from the UK. So it's less value on YouTube. 0.5%. Half of 1 cent. Okay. There we go. Look at Lucid, everybody. I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to sell it out this time. I am going to trim off Rivian because Rivian, not so good. Rivian, we are rising. Tesla, we are rising. VU is now just... See how interesting that is? See how much more stable VU is? I've got your high-risk stocks like Tesla, like Lucid, like SPCE. They're all shooting up, but VU is, you might go, well, that's no good. Why would you want to invest in that? Because it's not going down either. It's a steady stock. That's good. That's what you want. Underpinning your portfolio. Damn, Mr. Lucid dip. I've been telling you about Lucid for ages. How could you have missed it? Lucid's a great company. I've made a lot of money with Lucid. This has gone to $40 a share. And it does. It's going to go back there again. Buying at this price is great. Lucid's great. The car is phenomenal. It's better than a Tesla. It does like 500 miles on a range and getting better. The technology and there's rumor that Apple will buy Lucid. I used to have Lucid CCIV. Lucid's great. I've got 211 shares of Lucid. I'm not selling this. Nickel futures traded 100,000 a ton last night. Amazing that EV plays are doing so well today. The reason why EVs are doing well, let me think. Oil price is going up. Oil, gas cars, end. Finished. The future is EVs. Of course you want to get an EV. You know, it's all part of the overall plan, right? Gas is finished. Oil, you can make a quick buck today on oil. We all know that. We've all seen how it works. But the future, I'm at 1.1 today. Any green is good. Nicholas Morello, my portfolio is now up 3.5%. But nickel is half the lithium battery component. It is. But people are buying into the future. Again, it's about reading people, not charts. Market Profit, expert at charts. Martyn Lucas, expert at reading people. 195 countries, folks, I've been to. I can sing in 7 different languages. 195 countries for 37 years. I must have learned something. And if I've learned nothing, then I'm a bloody idiot. And I don't think I'm a bloody idiot, even though sometimes I act like a bloody idiot. Like tomorrow, I'm going to act like a bloody idiot. All right, let me fix my, there we go, YouTube. I apologise for the bad quality there. J-Ho, thanks ever so much. Thank Robert for sharing the video. I know, I've got a good idea now, folks, who that person was that came in to be a fan, pretending to be a fan, and then tried to manipulate my channel. Do you remember that guy? I've got the Shiba Army who over on TikTok. And I don't like the Shiba Army. I keep telling them they're all idiots and they don't like it because there's no such thing as an army. Because the moment someone says on Reddit that Shiba is going to 0, everyone will sell out in a heartbeat. That army, that symbolizes an army of strength, will sell out in 5 seconds. There's no fundamentals behind it. If you're so good at reading people, what color is my underwear right now? What colour is your underwear right now? Well, the first thing that came to mind, and this is just what came to mind, was red. I'm sure I'm wrong. Brown, yeah. I thought red. I'm sure I'm wrong, but I thought red, a reddish colour. It'd be hilarious if I was right, wouldn't it? But I thought a reddish colour. Market black. Go on, tell us. Love it. Not wearing any. No, love it. What did I get? What is it? I just thought red for some reason. Tell me. White. Peru investors got. Why are we all guessing the colour of Market Profit's underwear? What sort of channel is this? And I can't believe... Peru Invest, you're supposed to be a serious trader coming on here giving really good advice. And you're getting involved in the colour of Market Profit's underpants. What is going on? Grey. I said red. Can you even buy red pants? Reddy brown colour, that's what I said. No underwear. Flip-flops and a coffee. Yeah, right. There's no way you're sitting there... Market Profit, no underwear, flip-flops, and coffee in the nude. Flip-flops and a... yeah, right. There's no way you'd be sitting there. Right. Let me have a look at the vote. Sorry. Some kind of... Sorry, I thought it's some kind of game. Yay, I win. How do you win? He's not telling the truth. He's lying. He's not telling the truth. There's no way he's sitting there. If you would... this has gone off the rails. 93%. Will we get 100 live viewers on my birthday? 93% said yes out of 15 votes. That doesn't make it so. That's a bit like charts. That's a bit like Reddit. 93% say it's a fact, so it must be a fact. It does not make it a fact. I will tell you now, having spent all my waking hours on YouTube, I will tell you right now, 100% certain, and I'm not trying to be a pessimistic, I'm just trying to be based upon facts and charts. If you want to read charts, there's no chance in hell I will have 100 people watch me live tomorrow. Because the highest we ever did was 54. That means every single person here, every person here right now, hang on, and right now we have 22 watching. That means every single person here has to bring 5 people. I got as much chance of that as winning the lottery tomorrow, and I don't even buy a ticket. We can be hopeful and we can dream, but unless someone here has thousands of friends and 1% of those, because that's what it would be, just because you tell 1,000 people, only 1% will act on it. 1,000 friends and 1% actually come in. People come in because they want to be here, not because someone told them to be here. All right? You're all here because you want to be here. Everybody else wouldn't care less. Believable. I said he wasn't wearing any, because no, just traded TMC again, 5%. Right, I got to get going. Have a great day. Night, everyone. See you, Bubble. See you later. Market Profit never said what pants he was wearing. He didn't tell anybody. Right, Camber going sideways. McDonald's falling back a bit. SoFi falling back a bit. VU. Night Bubble. Good night, mate. Vanguard just dropping down a little bit. Down 0.5%. I'm okay with it. Tesla is now up 819. Rivian is now moving up. Virgin Galactic is now 756. It's moved up 3% today. Amazon is now moving up. Twitter moving up. Nvidia moving up. Peloton moving up. Facebook moving up. Gores Guggenheim moving up. Lucid on fire today, 7.5%. Apple event soon. Interested to see what happens if you're into trading Apple, that is. Apple. Let's go to Apple. There's Apple right now. Apple is down at the moment. No one likes it at the moment. 2375, the subscribers, hasn't changed. According to our mystery guest, everybody would unfollow me today. Well, guess what? The person subscribed unsubscribed because he only subscribed so he could unsubscribe. What was it? The day trader fan. That guy. 6 p.m. UK time. If you come on air wearing a sombrero, drinking tequila and only your underwear, I guarantee you will have over 100 viewers. What do you think, folks? Should I come on the air tomorrow wearing something like that? Sombrero, drinking tequila, and only your underwear, I guarantee. Wow. We shall see. Right. We shall see. Right. We're up 35,000 now. 6 p.m. UK time. Right, guys. As much as I'm enjoying myself, I've got to go because you know why? You know why? I've got to get ready for my Ukraine event. Ukraine event is coming up. If I go back to the Day Trader channel, you will see what I mean. Here, look, on the Day Trader, go to Martyn Lucas. Every day, during the war, I do an event for Ukraine. Okay, here it is. Upcoming live streams. It'll be live in a few minutes' time. This is our Ukraine event. I do it live every day during the workday, during the weekdays to support our friends. We've had guests join in from Poland and all sorts of stuff. There it is. I'll be live there. I'll give you the link in the chat 3 times so you can see it. There it is, 3 times. See it? I'll be live there in, what does it say on the screen? It says I'll be live in. It's playing the trailer right now. Anyway, I'll tell you, it's live in 40 minutes, all right? Okay, I'll be there in 40 minutes. So I'm going to end the show right now and get ready for my Ukraine event. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Thanks for all the follows today. Thanks for the shares. Robert Peters, J-Ho. Thank you very much indeed. Flat to you, UK. All of you guys. Absolutely brilliant. Today up nearly 3%. Very, very happy with 3%. Martin, I have to go now. See you later. There goes Paddy. Right. We've got to end the show. So let me go into my end screen. Here we goes. The end screen, there it is. I'll see you all back in a short while. Don't you dare go far away. I'm going to be live on the Ukraine event in a few minutes' time. Did anybody go and click on it? I'll give it one more time. This is where I'll be in 40 minutes from now. All right, Fusion 301. I will then be back for the closing bell this afternoon to see how we ended up. Ciao, Murray. And that's it. So, take care of yourselves and each other.